Mark 8 with 36ly. For what shall it profit a man if he shall gain the whole world and lose his own soul? O ka thui ka tong a sampang lala iwi mangla noi mangla shman haya ka va ki kan khana le khlad itum le Mark biksang jishat duja tumrada tharukli mating rik kaina hangai dale Nagawi ashi long the clay rijum now karnausan Ragazipkaya Yarik Jivali Ungchipem Mahong Iwi Yavak later clay Jairin Ronre Galam Tankul Mayer Gala long way Ring a Pashala Midale Gala welcome Sadale Consultative meeting on the role of youth in nation building. Venue, Ukrul Down Hall, date 18 May 2022, time 11 a.m. Moderator Eagle Chairin Ronjananganingdale, program Shimida in Chitaimige. Opening prayer, Reverend Myon Singh Ngalung, Pastor Viulan Baptist Church. Keynote address, Somadai Machinao, President TMNL. Short speech, Colonel Retired Chinao Yogachui, CAO WTR. Special number, K. Yursari Ngalung. Grand speech, General Linkan Shimray, MC, VC. Coordinator, Indonaga Peace Talk. Jiwitili, interaction on the Indonaga peace process. Later, closing prayer, Reverend Remember Mai, Pastor UBC Ukrul. He Ari Kala Aju Singagi Kichiwi program nai. Chak Mai Kajithe presentation introduction Kangadai Saikur President Kuyaura Ka Ari program Hop by Kawai. Reverend Myon Singh Ngalung, Pastor Yulan Baptist Church na itumle. Mga ilikalaga siyak sa atum ka kuy mirano.
Kuy misunzang da kasana ka siyasa se. Ray kamataya kasa kwavre ra. Simik shohin na kamine. Mirin hila na nasambang kang sakne. Otsai ko ra na masang lakika itum samgapang malay mane. Matasi kahay atam. Roha aziz mikshona na itum lisambang sakta. Eraitum town hall hili gazipdale. Shimkur raisang sakse. Leishimano se. Matamay da oktui se jiaka itum. Shimkur ngusogapam dargar saye. Chidaga may na achu. Era ima tangkur. Roho katad saka. Raisang by Nicola. Katad saka. Mga kui by Nicola, Katada Saka idum Kokasa by me Nicola, Kajui, consultation. Ima Yurli lay the Clea, Tankur Mayer, Nalalong. Yurshem Gagahili Katada to me roar quick by Lakela, Gaji Achu. Idumikiashi Kangia, Yarkok, General Ninkan Shimrena, Idum Lee, Nasangarum Gida, Apam Hilidum Kajip Serdale, Rera Kamatatam. Na nasampang kang asak wibang ningshi gachan kate. Lay mamangli ka gazip mga sakay cover ra. Ida de itum gazip kang room hiwibang ay na roho itum mga lilay de clay. Imayur naga roho pekar ka kuya jimik shaw nasang sak mi load na wiso kami kapone. Shiro kuy kita clay ngate ngata da kuy ngro kita clay zay ko rilila roho na nangachon milo. Nana savai milo, rohona na hilina rang rumida, so kumiyas mikshwatam, ngasang sak milaklo. Hau ko pok wena, kup kasang vasungda, kete ka kai hap ko kono malay lakla e rai dum le ching re na ga tang khui nga sak mi lo da Jishu na we ming sing da se ha ka sa nei amen
Ning share to mo hopok mili aro itum program hi mathang jatak vai keynote address hi somathai machinau president terminal na tam khoi mirno
Yang may say atam cha lakay na hopok kai ne razang gai ga tongli ring ga pa ning ga sipong sok dale I hi yurne na hi yurne itumui yur itum khlata nganing laga itum khlata ring shap khwai wi shongza hili chatak leine thak lak kaina ningkhan sambangai kha ring pha khmei ne huilala sampang phalungra gaje itum oguthui li shiman ghaya yur maning mane gaje hi aja leidag leya tangkul nagai tum ko tong khina sakhi ne आज खनुई थोपिंग खरर नावी खरर थोदवी शोंजा इतु मुई लेदक लेया शोंजा फाउंडेशन फैब्रिक मथै तुरर साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांसमेंट ओगथुई रेगसंग हिना इतु मुई खलत्तुई मिरिन पाही मथै चंग तुरर गजु वांगाइना खरनाउ बिंग दला sak lakai na machuk laga re the wen la sak ngai ke sa program acha atam cha lakai na singum khani covid le gai withiri rak shop ne publicity chat se gi ne kha ngchiaw rak ju wangai na publicity le magzat ne achi hili ra ga hai hi ping hi matai lakai na khandui thot ping शालगा निंगली दिपसंग शप्पा खलुइजा शप्पा जिमखनी गथु मति फंगादा वाममान लगा मशासंग शप्पा खंदु थोत पिंग मांगे रिंगफाला कै रे न तुम साइकोरनी दा राजंग दखलेवांग मताइ लाकै ना आज इथुमली इथुमना खियाशी खरान कल खियाशी खंगिया Legisha Oja Hili General Ningkhan Shimre MC VC Longvipu Coordinator Indo Naga Peace Talk Arazangaire Anakishidang Ningalga Hili Kishok Mirano Hivakinesi Ishi tangkul merang la long way na kelas CSOS pingwi na itu mui sam ke pengwi banglan aga hisa ka ngai ne ada tadi ning ni salo ke khneli Mrs Api Shimre oh Mrs Chon Thingla Shimre Kilonser wife of Longvipu Andala hiliak si the kishok milo jo Hili nextly Miss Api Shimre daughter of General Ningkhan ashi family wangi okay aja hi ashi family ne thar hulu thadu pam sa long ning sa se hun ka ashi family idumli thaingai lakai na leidak leine kanu thot ping na aming mang cha la ga ajak thaingai da rai dak le jat che idumai ngali ung ning meira ning shi lakai de tadu hun khang ning fasi jo Brigadier Joyful MM Commander Phungtha Brigade Naga Army akshi dan la li ka kamil jo isi ojan la okay helik kapangali Colonel Retired Chinauyo Gutui CAO WTR Colonel Yernam MSM Commanding Officer Kaisimung Battalion Nextly, Colonel Khan Nganing MSM PRO Ceasefire Monitoring Cell. Okay. Itu mui ngecaili program committee na asiwi program committee na jira migra remake up the migra isin le advance lakai nang ran kai bingji hine ka matai khmai khrnau bing akwa bing ka chung lai thumli rang room dale jaina hili rang room ka ya khrnau bing aksimang isi yurwen radak le khrnau bing aksimang keng ning ka mil jo okay ning misalo Major General L Ungyip MM Adjutant General Naga Army Major General Retired Paisho MM Executive Steering Committee and NACN Major General Thot Mating MM atum pingji hiling ningai re okay idum yarwi tonga ach leidak leya yurwi thana tangkhuli yurgateina khyagshi tangkhuli yurgateina khangji tangkhuli yurchat kateina yengga aring ningdak leya idumui khrnau ping nathumui wangainan itum nathumui wangaina mai kai itum nathumli ningshi itum nathumui wangan ninge nathumli tum leishie gjihi arila latluida atamitran phongshok lishit gjini jadwagi ji mangali jadwagi ji wi pekar ringpha melo mahai melo kabaning ungusungla ngasaro gji itum ko tong hisiane jena rajang khai itum ko tong khna atamajang luila ningshinai rko natum nei tum wang atamiran khaning khami ko chot gajang sip ka sa yak kha khang mi dakhlai kji thaisa da pang mai kup gja pang ak jik pes cho ning che ro da ning che aju program hili Rajan Ghaya Tangkhul Nagalongwe President Akshida Ojan Kung Ningamil Jo. Okay. Tangkhul Chinau Longwe President John Tingri P. Okay. Tangkhul Ketam Nau Longwe President Shimri Rising. Tangkhul Ung Nau Longwe Eno represented Ari Amay Ramaning. Okay. He Raradali Pai. Long Pang Ping Wena Chairman Ping. Okay. HKL Wena. Okay. Taiso Wena Taiso President Executive Ping. Marajang Rangjila. Okay. Rara Sare. TKLI. Inval Wena mi Tumra Henda Kadre. Nishika Tong Akishi Ningaljo. Akishi. Inval Wena Ningada clipping. Okay. Ning share. Jing Shokatam now long we President ZKL Sansawi ZTAKL RKL ZTKL we President Thunder Executive Ping Rang Room the like Tong Akshikung Ningamil Jo. Okay. Ning share. Ari Hili Rajan Ghaya Ping He Tamkui Ghaya Kunitopka Chungazang College Gadagle Tamdagle Chungazang 12 Kazang Dale Class 10 Kaikazang Dale Rangai Sergine Katam Atan Kang Tada Apam Ziao the Tong He Marang Rumpai Tumada Program La Prin Masala A Chondangan Lamang Yaula Kang Tum Tada High Laga Angya Rashok Laga Hitada Ragazang. Rajan Ghaya Kunditot Bing He Aman Kasaka Akamu Wang Ning Gigi Kala Arwiling Ning the Glaya Karnau Bing the Hang Haiga Natit Quick Shapa Kunditot Bing Mange Aji Rajan Ghaya he Kachungava Karnau Mazang Maneka Kunditot Bing Nizon Nina Yang Pungshable Lakaina Idea Creativity Sangai Mangai Lap Kaya Kunditot Bing Mange Jene Higita program Aju program Hili Matai Lakana Matugiji Hangi Tong Na Shingui Te Shingui Laka Pekar Manga Quisiki Rajan Gai Tong Lila Remake up the Hankangaini Speech Group Sir Gai with Tilia Ashama Interaction later Program Chili Kaikana Iwi Gatem Hangji Tater the Question Makaning Hand Laga Kushok Lagan Vai Tay Sala King Han Garagla the Kangan question Vai Kaikana I Mangahankam Sapai Murkajita Ninka Laga Nahangaji Milang Vai Ajiva the Tongaji Voice House Ka Tay Ram Plungaji Tang Yi Plungaji Nala Magate Nana take an eye Mangavak Vagiji Van Kan Kana Yarin Shagulaga Pekar Jume the car Kakapai a question Han Roxy He paiters are re and a return Lakina remake up the Hang Mi Kaine As a Torwi let's make sure you will program Ring Pang Sarno Yarisai quarter Ring Pang Sase Ning share
Lagai re somatai machinauli ara itumna kipa mai rajang da lai hina kipa na kipa ji ko tong ka theng rock ser gai ne ara itum program chatwagi da le da khlai hi ring pha mai da lumlaw mai da chatwa la pai ji hi shisang le le ara itum psycho ran short speech hi Colonel Retired Chinauyo Kachui, CAO WTR, Wena Khangna Sampangra.
Kashibaya, Horik Zipi, Tan Ping, Atamazong Vai, Shu Long Christian Origin of Twere, Anatan Lasias was Katan Piaka, Namban Lige, Ishuena, General Soningan, Family Gala Ali, Hawena, Aling Yura, Miguel Ledeclay, Saigoro, Lang Meda. Shooting and a rag zip me gaya. Town cool with you with talent spinning. Psychology, you eating a pa, Tangu, reason to say walks at the from Sok the Lay, Lang with the issue, chief we party gala, young along with Nashikanishina. He had the program Sai, quick shock, quick cry, Wang. You company he Matayla did. Hit a grass like a jeeping with a Ningshi actually the Pongshok with the to him, Makar Sanga sat a short speech. He Akamuramaka Hansang shares out. Ishi Nagam Yur Awa you with them when Mushun Teda Kala Naga wing Shan Teda Sakla kind of ring Zagla ring Rakaya Mune Naga Mune Gji in a notum Mahang and notum Tamekare Gala Chikta Mune Gji Aruinala Hang Shitnaye Itum Achu ring the clay to Bing Hina Chui Hayam Awa you with Dom when Ajurashun to Krajan he. Kachita Mur Klurgaji in the Mahang Lilla. He found a Ningtala and a Mushuni who found the Mangla Lak Lak Chikat Kaya Mune Achu. Itum ring the claiming in a Itumwe Oktui Atuala Nada Oktui Regasung Science and Technology Information and Technology the Kulaitum upon Kia Kawaina. Itumna Pot Yat Salaga you he Shamgaka Itangul Didio Postmanamko Jedam Shem Jimanjan Shem Brumne Gala Shem Kapai Lee Muram Legaji in a remind Sangai Aju in a Hangai Ishi general Nakata doing like him doing the mixed feeling other little in the cuties, Kata sounding young the Tangle Bing Lee. You know, indirect Sarah Highway at Tumley. Kapai Manim the Taser was some pie harney. He told Pickly Tongly. You know, Muchukla, Hivat, Jignian, Tagayang, he Massacres of me, you mean the sacks of me, you like a Hivat Liang, they know that Muchukla, you Vango, by lucky. Let's see Sajija Sapai Jede or Latom he Mohinam need in opening the clinic. Decision girls say, Decision girls say, Mangayata say, Matam say, no, we lick Hileg, Lexi Tarakaji, Tata, Ariji, Decision Gomolo. Go by the Tata. Say your Aju in a say Undango region in the Sadakli day. We being the Imung no like them guy, Milamning. No Tuitangle to no way Tangle lady or Gamilamning. Tangle Shanjan Makataya Milamning ma. Kolkata don't saw his young Gajim Ilmili Minakung the Pichar Sai. Ilaka Hangjung lay. You will have a comb now, Zidla, Seo Sai. Some Potalaga. None of Miranda Saran Jin Tarana Shuk Sagi Zidla. Gubardla. In the Miranji Kita, you are Tom. In the Miranji Kita, Prisa Magazaji, you in the Mikrandala. In the Miranji Kita, you will me, I will me, Gajumakangvaji in the Miranji, say was that you Miranji Chimotala. Upon Tutunga. The Jena, Nully Ili question Sansangai. A command money that she does. 이거 바이블 넘바함니까 아까도 이나다 시도 지슈아이나 상하 여론 바위 아니네 엔카운터락 싸우지 사설에 대설에 빠이설 가야 되지 바이 팔라가래 너그 징응롱 정아이 부른 거 봐 정아이 제거 봐 너는 한들 내고도 정아이 부른 게 제거 봐저 지타울로 지가타울로 쇼라울로 지마들라 지마사가 그럴 지망은 누구 지망진이지 히카만이네 아주 일이 쇼팅에는 룽둥라가는 기가 제고 지금 그냥 기항원이 그냥 더 크라바지 아주 그 집바이야 짝실라에나 실금야가 동상 록소 그니 토핑 아주 바이 디진 거 그야 동사서 강야약 빠지 너무 닝만에 나는 이나 가자 컷 이위 달렌히 히니 미하오 이 아루가 저주 힐 찍거다오래 그지 아따마 가망사 그거 섹리 아가망 섹 희속이다 뭐쭉 적로 당분라고 나가면 요리 힘을 다음에 이나 바이렉트 그지만에 이나 몸숭도 그지만에 이나 미란지만 밀 캣범도 그지 우디만에 제나 이 둠리 페이사 당분 레룡라가 응가 희나면 징리바이 희나 코감사바이 희나 율리면 셈바이 그 집아지 뭐 중인가 뭐 사바임데 까이머데 인디언 엘렉트럴 볼릭스 웅성더 까이머데 두마 태빙 태와 가임 율빙향 아고웅까이 희나더 다서라우세이 멍야세이 나 이나루 율리만 삭락게는 푸닝퀴다 율리만 그 삭그 머람성들레이 그 사그와 우리라는 금이야 이슈네 그지 난다 삭다 푸닝하고 봐 이tum hi thad mring paim ne ding da klai tum na sapa pha laga matu ngaim di laga yu le tap tap di la yu ri khibada na ide chi thal mring paim ne decision khui laga na ne ine khimiran glag jiba ji thad decision khyo mo sei tha ko bare tha ga sampadai me chui jili ngasunda sa ka pai isi general um di ji li cha ka pai la sa ga chi dung sun khilo la decision khui sei chimning ga holding a zekla haptang zekla mungta amko sena sakla ga neji muchuk mida ina khimil khle kat khisa sikle ga jiba ji aju disang khing rok se khni thot ping jiba ji chong ba teu ha focus am lo ding sela ga chu
Ni shilagai rai ochali ara itumna masod lai na nang rom lu shet khwai ke yur saring along le adam medalai
check Crystallian gada mai kaya pila chui khameli kangkasa Marina miga hai talen chi kui pungda shak sa kui lu lerar pung li va usa Sing to na to say you got daily love but she tree of tea room sa young maga chow shanda maga kui ngalai ka tuma abaram aman gasak hira muktali la sakmai ayin we azingli Pandri nakana ayin wi azingli Pandri nakana Barena ngashit ka hai ที่รุมเสายังเดิมก็คือฉันเดิมก็เจ้านั่นเลยก็ดูมหาบุรุษอามันก็สักฮีโร่มุกดาลีเลสักไม่อายินวีอาซิงลีมุงปานวีนักนาสิงโชสิงตูนาโตอาเซยูก็ได้ลีลามาชิตรีออกที่รุมเสายังเลิมก็คุยฉันเดิมก็เจ้านั่นเลยก็ดูมหาบุรุษอามันก็สักฮีโร่มุกดาลีเลสักไม่อายินวีอาซิงลีมุงปานรีนักนาอายินวีอาซิงลีมุงปานรีนักนา Amen.
Nishlagai rei masodla sami yur saring ngulung nali.
Aro itumna hon jingjing in later claya itum wilek shia general Serning Khan Shimrei Wena Kangana Sampang Ro itumna Serna stage li kam man le ka yarisai corona kyak shena ngani ka surse ning shila khaire yarina pamise
Psychorally, very amingly Salam Sali. Atam Mushai Kavai, Atang Ishimo territory, Rakasipta Claywi, Aming Patam Israel, rather clay psychorally Ishi Nakarmi, we Yurwi, Muhodena, in the Laningshi Mingaye. Ima Pataruge. Kaji Matailakana in a very short notice. Program he 1 week ahead. Advance on a shem house. The particular house. No ungi the kalejila hang house. Raruno. Ka security we point of view mounting la. He shong we talk we shong galava wrong we ot bangachila mukup to the United Mahanglo. That the last moment, even if we have I can handle the last 7 hours salah by 10 hours salah by if we have less than not less than 24 hours that's enough verena kasatmida kale uklung saikore verena kapangkhaya uklung saikore krista we yurwi wang ungram quick pungda kale saikorely calling later kale saikorely even through 2-3 hours ahead wow milala atum rather Kiwi Wangre Chika, he Christa we Raini, Christa we Ungram we Wangni, Jena Mahalakana Kakasipchila Maning Changmani, Gini Aji, Hili Tanku Mayer Mala Longna, in very short notice, Mangla Maningla Atumna impossibility we possible sang Saklaka, expect Sada Kale Oden Silichung Carda, Hitata Rang Wang Rimpalake Ningshe. Iwi interestingly ishi major journal AG Ungyip Timong Rup Salapai ka ishi we army we GSQ hili kala iwi we bang yapang sala ka itumi policy program hili trakka ala ngajon krani kala jiwi bang program jili ngate sala la ila fil sai atang ali stage limo kam dali banglan makhmi je yang kaje thal ina khmi ka thane in the hang ilima milo, young itumili yadu lili shilakan ituna hot, look at John Latin and Navaimi, Vaishilaki, Chita Masalo, Virginia, Kasahala, Nislakari. Tangam Yang, Nishilakari, Ki Kapao, not to winningly as achieve talk with coordinator kasada atrak secretary later atrak government of India we uklung ning issue you from the tate later pau kapha khungrat la bai to kui not to ning di machuk sala bai I pau kapha la mo kui phung ne to be honest pau kapha la mo kui phung ne pau chakshi la mo kui phung ne khavri vrana itum yu wi bang king ran hai de klei gi ji kala itum ni anang so ga mi de klei talk we process no rai we ru no machuk ra de klei song cha itum mi naga freedom movement hili kala krista we ram pha de klei hili ji the de klei ji I khani thot ping li ji wi wang ai na khani thot ping li share sangai lak ta kung ne Chinese we kala khangate we akhajan le kasar now 80 years kak hai pa hi na athe hay no wrong hay no khring adam tran khani thot ping na ali manishi now do you know that you're going to eat the fruit that you have planted it will take at least 10 years or more khachingkom trawi thelen ne thiaw re ta ka hang adam tran kasar ba sin hange I have been eating fruits all my life, which was not planted by me, but planted now by my former elders and leaders. Atumna ringsang kaya ting rong we ateji I shai the karane jen achiba I ringsang re I ma shai sala la I we kani thot ping naw ngara ping na shai runu ji we Krajan ili feel say achi ina ungi ta khalela iwa chi papa me itumi uncle Isaac Su late chairman Isaac Su ala itum yuri wang Krista wi wang ka pha yaw sang hai re ala yaw sang khai ne kha ala ma shai ma ne ya he Peter story ne ya unsuccessful story akne Ring sang kai whole life 60 years life chikat kai chili ana ling sang kai ama shai pui mane ya thi here kha arwi ila thi baye jani iwi uklung ni rason da khle hi avakhar na khanang da ka sa ta khle tham thrat avakhar thi hai ko avakhar vi vision avakhar vi thangmet avakhar vi okatui yur vi okatui who will plan this Kipana ling sang ni ko yang itum ning hi feel salake yang yur ji atang hangau la yur ji sala la matai lakhena ram now avakra leadership li itumi phya sing ya ocha tem ocha hao ocha phiao ka la kan te tak la khale wi wang aji itum na chiwi follower ne ila leader meaning ne I am still a follower khai khani thot lim jang thure yang khani thot li sang che itum hi ware wa ocha ri mai rong itum ping hi yang hi ping hi wa ex ocha ung yi prong itum hi expert ta khai ne youth li expert ta khai ne ye yang senior li ra sang khai ne itum hi ka senior wi junior ne ta achi batai la khai na khani thot na tum bing le in the masses that I am bringing and the masses that I'm going to deliver hi na tum wi wang ne I'm going to sow the seeds of the future. Ilama shai kui salapai, who knows? Adam Chinese award na atering sangai laka ma shai kui laka tik hai tata it me late chairman Isaac Su na ring sangai laka ma shai kui laka tik hai tata who knows? Ilama shai salapai. Avakra lama shai salapai. Yang it me katana lama shai salapai. Ko he na tumni hangai lakke. Then in firstly hang ngai point akhababa I Bible quote sorry Revelation 2:4 we Rivrana Ephesus church li an maringa pa khale yang no we whatsapp you know the wicked and you don't love the wicked you hate the wicked the hang but one thing I hold something of you I hold against you you have fallen down from the first love. yang nu ka phak kyak khle sala la no na ili le ki shi chi shui tai hai re the itum rivrana if you say khanda ach in chi ko changa ye ki vi bang ra chi ko na ka itumi na tum da alung ba shi ayar ba shi chi I ko tum sanga ne ya ariva alung ba shi ayar ba shi ma na tsar hai re ya je na naka we freedom movement hili NSN na mathala yang NSN na mathala sala na tung tong ada naka movement hili lisie NSN na election na damle ma phap tola tong ana NS freedom movement hili chimkai yang you hili chimka zila then something is wrong with us achi itum na represent sa ta kle kachang khatwa we are not perfect ka you we freedom movement hili ribrawi ka khrat leye ribrawi purpose leye ke chu manga haina ava wrong with leadership hili than la sacrifice sadakle we are all volunteers it's volunteers ne jana volunteers we kapha khamashung la le sare it's perfect meaning money yeah it me perfection here it comes from the Lord my perfection will come from the Lord it's perfect meaning money ka itumli achi of our leadership hili kissing the we hold the visions Rivrana naka miur hili our purpose kale because we exist under the plan of God and our existence is under the plan of God Rivrana we plan to exist kasani naka miur chini jaina hili achi we Rivrana itumni yerdak hai hili avawi leadership avakar leadership sadakale hili itum ala volunteer ni yang naka we issue hi avakar na quick timing ni in a quick timing ni itum what atem what how na quick timing ni we are all volunteers yang ati ni hi kiwangai na hunger jika we don't know what will happen tomorrow India we ni ma katar atum hiba marak khaliba palongru thada naga issue hi sof safungre kichi atum leye marak khaliba atum me India we RSS we ideology India Hinduism or Hindustan we ideology conceptually impose sacrifice haye kachi thala for me that is not the issue atum na nche ida khle chili itum naka miur jila jili khangache thata sate ka aru ina hangai pava hili satakale hili now leida khle yurwe ka thana ping leida khle ping hi hili la pichar ma samilu yang ile la pichar ma samilu chiwi bangra ka itum na overground we underground we khangade we pichar sang na ta khle dam tran plane ship sang rok ta khle dam tran itung we machine rai hi siman haure chiwi malung khringai na achi khani thot ping le matai lakhena khani thot ping le in a khangata to plant the seed for the future because you are the representative of the future no force on earth can stop you ang inganu lak sai ngani lak ta khrei tam tran naka we freedom movement mang I changre I rai ngre ta ka chang tam tran Ari tau you itum same page ni Ari hili tau thot ma thing yang Ari ka me pai shoru na itum struggle sa da khle firstly itum emotionally for freedom naga we freedom ibang sara yang now me sing ka sara ta ka chat ni ka chang tam tran Kasang dam trari na kahang dam tran iyuri Malaysia I'm going to betray the freedom movement meaning but that was something much more than Naka freedom movement in Ijlisang Taye Naka freedom movement li hakamay akle saye and that is the kingdom of Christ Nakaling for Christ hi changatay ni Nakaling for Christ hi changatay adam tran Nakaling for Christ hi kali Knuckling for Christ, kali established. Where will be the kingdom of Christ be established? Kali established. There has to be a kingdom. kingdom nature we cycle really. There has to be a kingdom. There has to be a foundation. Without the foundation, kingdom he established himself by me. Christa we, after the fall of Eden Garden, Christa we purpose ishi sange. In a sang tell ishi sange then, knuckling for Christ is an extension of Christ's kingdom. Then Christ's kingdom hiraka by bibang, Rivrana ituminakam yurkili, my land, my soul, my people will be for Christ. I will live for Christ. Jena Hindu na dominated sadakale, idol na dominated sadakale, Rivrawi ungramishan by me. So my land has to be set free. Christawi, doctrinally, Vareshiwi, teachingly, doctrinally, estes masaka, Christ's kingdom, established sakitagali, still under threat. Chuivangaina, knuckling for Christ's kingdom, Naka freedom movement, ili hangloje aksasasai. And that is one. Naka na Christ minus Christ's kingdom wivang commit masala, no we iwi life ji jishu wivang, Christa ungram wivang, ti re ring re, kala itimi re kajuwi, heart jimaleka, na kalika. You can never be a freedom fighter. Naka we independent solution kungre, kaja kakapikni. Achi chiwivangayna, ina hili hang kangai pava, ina hangi de kale, kapida de kale jila malayare. Aji chiwivangayna kani tot pingni, ina kani tot pingni, fokusak ni, chiwang rida isi sinau kani representative lunga hili unge, nani kani aksi ngani mila, kan nani kani, ya ke. And Lieutenant Akane, Sergeant Major Ahomne, and then issue with latest Commander Lieutenant Colonel Lishimi, please, Jishu Ragi the Kalejili, John the Baptist Lichorai, Kayimung Rangajang issue with Chinao Lichokungo, messengers are the young. Can you talk? Okay. Achichu wivangayna, there is something wrong between we, alungbasien na ayarpashi, underground na overground, ningla. Under the surface and above the surface passage really, feel a problem clay. Got hard, not to na. Naka we issue hiva, NSN we property ni. Framework agreement hiva, NSN we property ni. Ali itum na you reminded me how the atum na saki sini, atum na ngalang pegi sini, atum na saki sini kechiwi sikasangji lay kaini. Hiba itum arina hang hangai pava. NSN Marature, Arina to Miss Howlock Jimning. But we need partnership. My tweak highly not to need to ning a John Rai, Natang Mirai, Galak Drakli Saika, Achiwi Adam Hili. NSN Mangna Masakapaide, underground Mangla Masakapaide, overground Mangla Masakapaide. Kanini Hili, Papa Kungru Maleaka. Kala legi shiji maleaka, yang jadi ina hang ngai baba NSN Malaysia Malaysia la Malaysia yang aru le ina tumne NSN support salo naga army di yurle itumi katana le abakra di support salo I mahang mure yang itum khiwana le hauda mahang hai mune ini le shilo isila mahang mure yang siau le region hile le shiprung lo Malaysia ta khle baje ting sare mahang mure yang why Abakra leadership knuckling for Christ, Kala you freedom movement hili issue chilling and in the clay party, issue party leshimilo. Framework agreement party leshimilo. The purpose of God, the purpose of Christ, knuckling for Christ vision today, knuckling for Christ ไปซาตะเคลงจิบาจิลิเลชิมิโลเอ็นอาจิวะอิทุมก็จิลิเลชิงรุมชีก็จิลิขอกษาชียัง in the will of Christ อิทุมอาตหังไงอิทุม we are not lost people ชิมันตะเคลมีอยู่ลำนิ่งเลย confuse ภาษาลำนิ่งมาเนี่ยคืออิทุมตะก็ลีอิทุมเลชิงรุมตะก็ลีพับตั้งรุมสิกรคือจิบาวีอาตมรายเรคเรวีอาตมนี่ว่างหงวีอาตมนี่ว่า underground นาวไม่กระสิงวีปังชับจีเลยสินี่ข้าริจิเลมันนิ่งริมันนี่นะอินี่คือว่าไงนะอาจีอิทุมนี่อิทุมปังชับไม่ชอบกับไปอินเดียน่ะจะสังไงสารุโนก็ทางคุลฮีอาวาครวีรัมนะว่าจะเตรียมว่าจะเฮารงว่าจะยาวรงอาตุมีรัมก็เลยตั้งคุลรัมฮีหนึ่งนิ่งไข่ทรานนะยูร์งตั้งพิเรก็ฮิลีอินอาชีพ politics ขังเดชองมาหังฟุกเกก็มาได้ลักใครนะฮิลีอิทุมนี่ขังเงินปุยเดเลย how อิทุมนี่เลยชิโลจิกตั้มทรานนี่บ่นั่นแหละไม่เลยสิงไงมาเลยนะขันนั่นทุมนี่อิทุมน่ะอักหังขังไงเย่ please understand อะไรอีวิ testimony จะเขาสินะอีอะไรการิเท่าตัวเลยการิขมาท่าเท่าตัวเลยชิมขมาท่าดึงปั๊มตัวเลยก็ช้อนจนงาไว้ใครงาไว้แต่ใช้ไงใช้ตัวเลยนะข้าอะไรอินคิงาไว้ตัวเลยอินคิสัตเลยอีวิคำมันขังเต้นคิสัตเลยอาวาครนคิสัตเลย please นะจิมังนี่พิจารณาสามีลูกก็ยูวิวังคดีทอดยังอะไรขังท่าแต่อีทุมอาชีวิลุงนี่for 40 years you did sacrifice สักหายจิลีงหงลีปั๊มละค่ะกับพี่กับปั๊มมาพักคุยอาชีลองละค่ะยังในชีวิตปังนี่จังละค่ะเร็กกับร้าละค่ะอาชีพิสตอกเซสฟาเรตัมฮิลีกับผ้าตัมฮิลีอาชีจุยคำเลเวลราตะคะเลฮิลียัง formal talk informal talk high level prime minister level international level the venue will be outside India the hang out the foreign we level the internationalized nationalized ฮะก็รักจิตตะเลยฮิลีอาจีอิทุมก็เดี๋ยวขริงกับพาสังกพังนี่ยังนั่นทุมนี่ฮิตาตะสังกพังฮีอิทุมริมพายเองอีวิ greatest fear ฮีว่าดุยฮีมังรังกจังอิที่เขาชี้จังดุยฮีมังรังกจังอาบาครริงกจังอาบาครนคิสาลีก็เลยคิดเอาอุกรุงนี่คิดเลยดิมังแล้วก็ที่เขาชี้จังอีวินิ่งไม่จีจีอักนี่ก็psychology นั่นทุกมีหังสไลส์หักก็นารีทุกมีframework agreement รุ่นโนแบนนักข้าวรุ่นโนฮิลีอีทุกมี future คลายนี่แต่ future เลยแต่คลายฮิลีนั่นทุกมีหังสไลส์หักก็เลยฮิลีพับตั้งลงมาให้ก็อีทุกไม่สมานมาเลยนะ force อีทุกนี่คลายนี่เจ้าน่ะอาจีฮิลีขนังสิฟุตะขราแล้วก็ไม่รีวานอสวามิดาอีทุมunderground มีเรื่องนั้นนะ overground ใช่เลยอีทุมอากาศแล้วก็ยูริขนาว journey ฮิลีอีทุมช่องจ้าฮิลีราชไทยเลยช่องจ้าฮิลีจัตตะเคลฮิลีอาวาคร์อีทุม German I said to อันนี้คือนี่วิ history struggle สาระตะเคลคือนี่ทอดมิ่งกับเทพายเองก็แต่ struggle สาระตะจดลักษณะ struggle ใส่อะไรยัง foreign กันเลยดีละยังที่ชีรุ่นโนยังอุโมรกรุ่นโนสักเอาคุยพุ่งแล้วก็อีทุมชุดเกสอีละจีคุยพุ่งจัดจีน่ะชุดเกสลี foreign ลีเจนีวาลีเนเธอร์แลนด์ลีอีทุมทั้งคดีตาอีทุมมี2 star 3 star ลีมันสังลักนี่ยังที่ตา struggle ใส่อะไรอาจีฮิวี foundation ฮิลี after signing framework agreement ฮิลีออกที่ฮิเจนซาไฮนี่อาจีถึงฮิลิเจนซาตะกเลยฮิลิขรานี่เจนันฮิลิขยังตั้มทานอัน overground วี lively underground ริมพักไม่ได้เลยสารไปยังก็ต้องงานการิสิงแล้วก็เลย protocol วี system ชุดจะทอกลิขวาลี flight ลิกาแล้วก็เจริญสาร because we are a nation คนนี้จันก็จะเกลี่ยเขาจะจีวลิสารก็จิลินั่นทุ่มนี้ห่างง่ายกว่าจิลิว่าพิจารณาสามีโล how much we have suffered ยูริวังจิกราตะเคลฮิลีอะไรล่ะอีฮิลิมุงรังจังเชลสักง่ายก็เลยนิ่งดีคราจิบะขี้ก็เตะซาตะขี้ก็ซาตะ pistol kai la kha ceasefire kai la kha khalai dam tran Yurli legacy yaro now kya ka samang nikjo ya Yurli legacy kathana politician kya ka samang rakha chi ka phatam tran ya ija khlatan la phai ya itum na cruise phung khai ta asilong khai ta ya phat of singli khama phung la ka khadang dei tun kathana na sara khai ta itum arui sampang rela ka le i la chi sa saprela can I do it again or not? Can I love the nation? What I have sacrificed, what I have done for the nation, can I do it again or not? ก็เลยอายาลีละคดีทอดมาเลสานี่ก็จังแต่กับพาตามทรานเนี่ยพาละสมังฉลักเลยอิชูวจีนี่อย่างอิทุมีมุชุนนี่กามาราฟอินเดียนะนักวิ uniqueness of Naka history political situation itu mi sovereignty recognize like Naga integration he was legitimate right ne the recognize like laser kai chile ariba cost chile ke ban le shi cost ji wang ke ban ne timi shapra yang NSN mi khangajan mi wangai na sorry I komol theng taw lak wong NSN mi khangajan mi wangai na itu mi yuri la Malaysia tu Malaysia lo Malaysia lo jela mahang pai itu le khangajan le hau yang January hili itu klatana kok kasan la kha chishui formula synergy teamwork energy ka hawlake yang chishu na oktuli kratram he is the son of God he is the almighty God the creator the alpha and omega but still he chose 12 disciples he can do everything by himself, but he preferred to choose 12 disciples. And among them, Ateye, Judas na Ali Hadr, Ateye, kat Judas li akapange. Judas chikula mailake. NSN atam yang Judas chiva namitru shayere. Shaye prungayre chiva. Yang shay prungre. Bible li namitru shaygi de klemi kutum leide. Judas, ningla. Saul, Saint Paul, yang beresi tik satat minghain tu, beresi trak satat minghain sini je. Ini sini sasit ada tu kui lagam mapita tu kas satat air, yang asyik Saint Paul, yang Judas and King David, Prophet David. David lima shamrau lah jiklah, yang David ci arwan le se je siau wi li cheli sang ka na mi we bravely na kisa kasat yang a brave tung ni na da khali na yang sat thai uraya le da bichar sare but God has a different purpose God sees the work of Judas for his glory Rivrana prohona solvi tekhamate uklung ni khikupung David na kikupung ana chikathini. For God sees not as man sees, but God, the Lord God, sees the heart. Yeah? Yana David to uklungni the kingdom of God kupung sa chajila. The cause of the nation kupung sa chajila. Saul wilila chikupung sa chajinda. Kangmuya kosa salala after correction Damascus wili correction sa kaitran. Rivana pada clay. Yang Rivana Lingachang vision ungram cause ji lekas hatla Juviwangena Rivana our foundation our kingdom ji establish achi in the same way yang itum na aka na pakang rock tran no yang itum hi ngui haure NSN mangmoning ne but there are katam nawing chai la achi Saint Paul with Hada, David of Hada, Rivrawi, Kingdom, Umram, Kwipung da Kalejili, Jine. In Arichi Hangai Jine. If I carry the cause of the nation, the kingdom of God, the cause, the vision of Christ, that is a force. Framework agreemently implement kasama kasa, honor kasama kasa is another thing. But I stand on the promises of God. I hold the vision of Christ. Achi hiwe lungni ating ina hangaula naka freedom movement ne da iti katatnda. but something much more was there. Glorious was there, the kingdom of Christ. Knuckling for Christ, Jikatetran, yes. Could line a miramere. Octui Bankshap and a miramere. Yes. By the power of God purpose. Rivravi purpose, Rivravi vision, but I must remain in the vision. I must get myself rooted. Rivravi calling, Rivravi purpose in a rooted Takaitran, carrying a chili, carrying a politics chili in a rooted Takaitran. Yes, itum shapre, yukire, aji natumli toki, success side unkang hai mening mene. Success must harmony, hang violent. It's the political process. Actually, matada must harmony, akamala chatre, political process. Talk here. Chiwangay na kapak situation na change sare, cut change maka sajikita. Unshung sakita kale force kita. When you carry, when you love and understand and carry the cause, future will sit. Are amaji, the seed corn, can you talk wing down? The seed corn chi, nali like haitran, knocking for Christ, knock up freedom movement here, Umshung Chonre. No one can stop the future. No one can stop the plan of God. Rivana show me the clay, come on, no one. No one can shut it. As it is processly clay, how the itum cycle runner, itum kalatawi, yurla, kala. Overground runo, young underground overground runo. As to him to Shilaka, Siota the young underground overground him to Shinari, Gainari, Akasaro the young Itumna Hili Paptalaka. If we convert it into people's movement. Clearly, 2019 Chile. Indian ultimatum milakiki kaksachi atam trandiva kreliva Naka army NSN hina langsolakana itumi na political power comes out from the barrel of the gun gajili now make a sing the bang shop na gajili na not to the proof say the voice of the people, the referendum of the people, the decision of the people, the support of the people is much more greater than AK-47. Chile converted Satran, Indian, NSN we movement, we another people's movement convert Sire Chikrota, itumli, atumna threaten Saramani. Itumli threaten Masara, Achi, itumi movement hits at the lake. Come movement hits at Salala. Hilikipana, who is going to carry on? Hilikipana. Punglaka Kisara, not winningly in the Shihang Ngai Baba, any sending the Naka army in the Yurivang Rergichini, issue him no will kava. Naka we future we government Quira Kungrata Karihiva, no will kava, no will sang la kava, you will sang la it may volunteer, Proho Vivang Yurivang Ichimigi, can it sacrifice Sagata, it volunteer Kasane. And we need your help. Ari unradically government, unradically nation, unradically Yurvi building, sovereign building chiva nana pamgishine. The chit how the hili itum klata lungni, the kaila. Yang naka with solution umshung kvai, Christa we unram, pilap kasai hili, iwi shoruk la zangai. Yang hi adum pasimamning ne, iwi la zangai, itum akam saka, atumi kangasan chili, pinpoint salaka. Blame ship sang revam tak meaning ne. It's also my shirt. In a meaning aka atun soy haure. Atumang the soy haure. Kichiwi spirit jena. Itu mukhi punga ka kasak ne. I marakli. Ile active salakai miyak ne. Active salakai miyak sao da jelly la pangashi da baye. Pipam si da jelly ma bamre. Active kasaka sao da baye ka. Ina masaka marakliwa tui sata abrekiga makaning tui yang Jen it need discourage say. Idi le discourage army chief ning jinda. He showing we tong we hurt temptation, confusion, kala the wind of opposition, hili panror kai tran ila ning chote. Ila ning chote. Ka ina masa ka. Revolution leader aka we spiritually, himalay kamasa ka ina masa ka kipana saruto. Ina te la ka arwila. Sister kakai tam tran ina matimia ka ina manganinga ka ina jelwi bang barit la katana leadership li ina matimi shabaka. Who will do that? If I don't do, who will do that? Ka iwa Taylor. James we forward spending for if you know what you ought to do is right, and if you don't do it, it is sin. Nana tay hi kapha kamashungi mga ot mga ne. He urang gatang kui mangani he rivana ning gachang ot ne da nana te hai ka ene sen we kangasan yuri kangasan yari we kangasan tu we kangasan le salala he ina sak ni ot ne ge ji ka thei tran nana ma sak ka rivali ka hat ne ya ma shun chi le ka hat ne ta itum I winning ni chi rang sak ke ya ka ari wa imang maning ne ari itum ka tong we participation hi ta ka sai ina ji Rivana itum cycle really kahang he Bible go tell with the he breshi with William maning yeah Jeremiah 51:20 in the healing changlak yeah for it says you are my weapon of war yeah you are my weapon of war you are my war club you are my war you are my AK-47 and through you, I will destroy the nation, the kingdom. I will destroy the walls. No we truena. Ki we wangers ka, we could lie chiva. None. Jishu rivajiva could lie mingla, rivanda. Kap rivawi we bang yapang chiva nanda. The jen achi we he adam hili. The ka, any sen mang the could lie la, maning money. Yeah. Achi to me crucial Adam hili kani thot kichida especially ai kasana bing arar bingli itumna ariwa nganinga la salo raiva lo nganing lo demonstration salo michi bai chibngai na kani thot kichini yang kala we kung tok nan yang pangsat lelaka sapai da khalai tam thran yang you still when you can still work and think no service chiva tarka sai rivana achi tumni chi khini thot pingli kala active sa takhle tong ali tarka sa chi takhle ki kra ji ka yurna the whole Naka nation itumwi ram now tang ko hili depend sai trak depend sai ya kala tang ko hina avakhrili depend sai ma tham la ya Yurna avakhrili depends how la. Ka avakhrawa ki pali depends how ra. Yang ochatem ocha how ki pali depends how ra. Ar ka sakwa jinda. Yang it meaning liva avakhrana chief negotiator ka salaka in the round table talk hili. Ka sangne. Avakhrana talk li sa ta than de ka la talk jimi li sa ta le out itum psycho ra. Talk chilling arai. But what is the mistake? Ile sangda natung tonga sangda dang itung arai. Ka talk chi ungshung khabai. Talk chili success habai. Talk chim hili strengthen sa khabai. Itung khangriu chi vati. And there are different forms of strengthening the peace process. Media wila, youth being wila, read relay ka sa demonstration la. Sadakle trak we upon the seminar ka sala. Peace process chili, peace talk chili, strengthen sakavai, Malay to the ajitum, itumima, mangama bakapai. Framework agreement science implement magabagi the clay, mabapai. Why? Because the people fail to understand. The people fail to cooperate. And Naka people is not with the NSNIM. Why should we enforce framework agreement? Because the people, they don't want the framework agreement. They don't want Ben Naka Ho. They just want development. development ma hi ning chang ni chit how the agreement khwe sanala agreement chili who betray the framework agreement yang ili hang ko jiba it is India Ravi and India ka patam tran it is the Naga people yang framework agreement you with sovereign nation kungi da kale hili Naga peoples they are not prepared it we ukrungni chi we are not prepared jiwangai na yang shipping na la jiwi advantage khui la ka jiwi advantage khui la ka aji tum manga wa pai ni itung mi li chi li gap chi le la ka ma wa manga ma ka pai da kle ka what is the power itung khla ta aji mu chuk se what is the power of the people itum na yang da shiwi power mang ni mu chuk te I khani tot ping hangai we are invincible we are invincible yes sometimes we can be invisible ngong ning thumanga invisible rudala but we are invincible khani tot ping hi phau tai ka I chi hangai yang sung chu na khang wa know yourself know your enemy bible khang wa know yourself know your god know your creator know yourself hi verse mahang ni ka hi ni ka itum ban na wa itum ba hi ki bak na ma the ka yang si mang ni focus sa da ga adawi Elisha we Gehazi we rau na yang arwe ki ga Isaiah I mean sorry 2 Kings we 6 we 16 17 18 ni khang da yang awi rau chin yang ga si we forces na kuinam ka hai ji the la ka more than 1,100,000 kuinam ka hai ji the la ka ngi na hai ta yang our everything our hope our machun ji kaiser hawe jitam tran prophet Elisha na khangwa he the force that is with us is much more greater than the force with them Rivra awi mik show me how lo the siak sa tran awi raw we mik ke shotam tran ana jiteye the same thing achi itum la he manglaw tu mening mane practically I want to say this nakane hi song hili itum na ngertele India we sadakle yes in the round table peace talk hili India ne advantage khuilaka atum ne advantage khuilaka threaten salaka NNP shipping Naga Sapna clan pingli GP Federation pingli favorite khuilaka itum ni threaten salaka living out the South Naga and Tangko itum chi focus on the India we sakashap divide and rule with policy we sakashap chili itum chili focus sane but that is just a show distraction ni ok thuli ketem Japanese la ningla ashila distraction rote bear harbor sarang chang peace negotiate sala sare kitila ka bear harbor le attack sana India le chinda yang they are scared because they are surrounded by whom anti-India forces India li surround sa kainda I chawang na ji itum video mo khumilo ji ne I changkata khani top ni na sa khai ba hang ngai yang secret de chang hao mo ka ka teo khong thum gai li tai Burma in Burma Coco Island Chinese nuclear submarine base lay Burma Sitwe and Akyapli China with naval ship and one is civil shipping corporation lay but you have to know China has no civil all owned by the People's Republic of China by the PLA. Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. Cox's Bazar ji ride itum now may khung vai sa la ka yu area ne ji. Isi shibai now may singa itum na control ka sa Cox's Bazar sea beach ne. Ari ji China li mi hari lease out for 50 years. Ari China na control sa re. Jitapong seaport la China na khui hari. And then going down to Jaffna, Sri Lanka. Trinomo commonly area LTT na control saksa ji ariba China li mi hare kimida nuclear submarine base equipped and having the capable to strike with a missile Mumbai and beyond. Hi, Harry. India will security system are under threat, Harry. And then Karachi is China will nuclear submarine base, China will military naval base, Sahara map round side Ladakh, more than 500,000 Chinese army claiming, sometimes 300,000. Ima to Kurang 2010 li aksidavaye asini li kuivalaga chite. Under the tunnel, under the hill, there are thousands of tunnels. A khuruchi putlaka 10 mile, 20 mile, 30 mile interlink lay salaka kutlai kala are donkey, are mule prepare salaga mule ka tonga shukui ka tonga chive anti tank wa nau kisine achive tong le 105 10 millimeters requires rifle mom talaga tank thada wa nau ne well prepared. Chivangan na kamar of India you shock high tran intelligence na the track samang na threaten say in a simple kangba. How can you compare for 1 month's preparation in Toklam issue Jiliang? How can you compare your 1 month preparation against 30 years preparation? Because they have prepared for 30 years. All anti, all pro-India. It talk hili, Timapur hili. It under the ASPA. Now, Armed Forces Power actually threatens Salaka, disrupt area, Salaka, it with psychology, distract Sando. Soon you know, distract me. Kakachang cut power, Atum the Kangachi Vivana, itum nihi Sando. I really need to hang shape. Government of India can never go for war. They are not prepared to go for war. Why? Economy is rasa, right? Here we condition all pro-India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Burma, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, now all anti-India. Yeah? Nothing to take later. It will be favor. It will be the Israel now peace. Yeah? Below Pisgah Mountain, the Israelites were sleeping. Remember Numbers 22. While they were sleeping, God was fighting for the people. Palamna, Kiga, Israel the curse Sarata, Parak, higher Sala, curse Salo the clay, turn round, Kapung, Dungwe, Piscawe, Kande Yang Dalaka, Israel now being curse how with the cleaner. He showed a Rivana Ryan Ram Mitelela, Israel Wakala Matelo. Curse Musabame, Balakna, Balamne, curse these people. I will pay you this money. I will give you anything you want. Balamnang Hankava, how can I curse? Now you have to know. How can I curse? Whom? The people whom God has blessed. They are already blessed. Ijirim Palake. How can the Hindu nation, how can the force of darkness curse us, curse the Naga? They cannot. Because we are all blessed people. Privana somi kayam yurunda. Awi amuchisanda nakling for Christ. Dogspear sada sangre kapanghaini. It mishiman by many. It in the ring the he Rivawi proposed to drink on the second. Ningsi you cha ila terror. You attract terror. Now, young Kishin his hatale, it in the focus Sakatran, Kaditon Natum Dong Shimanaure, Piren Nikisatale, Kizanga, Neshmanaure, Manipur Kerman Nikisatale, in the Kerman Nikisatale. Shimanaure, but focus on what God is doing for us, for me. Rivana Nakavivang, Itumang, Kisamitale. Let's focus this. Itum Pitalela, Ningla, Kayishong of Rivana Remitalela, Natum Tatale, each Hangailake, Katamping Drakale, Hili, Atum Tatale. Just like while the Israelite people were sleeping, now in a deep sleep, God was fighting for them. Rivana masapai ni palam so milo. Palam na so mi hai laka trak sida so mi hai laka Israel became victorious. Aji itum pitale in the same I want to call this Pisgah mountain itum asingni pita itum pitale, but God was fighting for us. All the friends of Indians has become the enemy of India. COVID karaju itum marim pamane lockdown within marim pamane kana data. Lockdown karatam tram. Do you know? Actually, change makasachi change side day. In 1994, 95, Asia with economy ji bang the side all the bank everything collapsed. Saudi because of Wall Street, because of Tauger oil. Wall Street international national katong Asia katong hiva Wall Street na controls the economy. Why? Al-Qaeda strike Twin Tower because they were striking Wall Street. American with power, hiva economy ni sao Twin Tower li sao mo. Kala American with power here item stock exchange. Arila Mumbai stock exchange kipa kala attack samne. Ka attack sa thang jiba India ko bhaire. Because we never attack the heart. The head. Jita kamaina itu masama ne. Ka rivana samila kama. Now India with tolerism kya theta. Russia with rubles. More than 100 plus. 110 something against US dollar. Kika bararang chang in India we exchange rate dollar hiva arriva 78, 76 we rate this alarmingly. Whereas Yunnan B, Chinese only 6.7 or 5. Lockdown item hili India we economy in very alarming situation ni later day. The whole world economy is weak except China is strengthened the we atam hili striking again with third fourth wave hili ji high salot India we economy hi natumna ari please Mumbai we stock exchange and then Hang Seng and Shanghai ari Nasdaq ari exchange hidam tram stock exchange. How fast India with stock exchange the world with stock exchange convertly within 1 month. Achon with Arila, Russia, Ukraine with rise the bang hamikaide. So the world economy he are a problem there. Then India with economy power here with Sakaindo. Atumna itumni rise up to declare a war. When they fight with NSN, of course we will suffer. But whole Northeast, entire India region, Indian subcontinent will rise up again and there will be war. And then, we have to know who is the position. No, you have to know yourself. Do you know yourself? Do you know who is your enemy? If Philippine legitang ayali thaila, what I remind her, yo, Naga. When you talk about geographically, Naka is a tiny dot. It's a tiny dot, insignificant. But when it comes about military, security, defense, Naka is meaningful. And we know it is meaningful. I don't care whether Nagas are right or wrong. I don't care. I don't care about the map. I don't care about the history. I don't care about whether political right or wrong. I care for the security of India. Actually, India's security is now under threat. So who the government of India going to listen? Can you talk to the it will be plus point there. Talk him through the ring palm salon. Our plus point, it will advantage Rakhaite. And it is because of God. God was fighting for us while we were slaking. It will be one Rivana. Rermilaka. Achi Saturday. India with power hak mahai is still there. Foreign affairs India foreign affairs why they are so proud? Because they have support of US, NATO, European Union. That was past tense. 3 months back, now it's past tense. Yeah? United Nations Security Council with veto power later clearly kabam tran. India refused to condemn the war in Ukraine. Whereas the Western European Union were lobbying the support of India veto as a veto power to vote against Russia invasion in Ukraine, but India refused. So now American wake up. Clearly, American and Narendra Modi and Donald Trump, especially Donald Trump, yeah, and they both look like but inside they're different. One is Western world, one is Russian world, one is communist world, one is completely different. But American thought that India is my best friend. No. And India also trying to convert their relationship to build their foreign policy to have favor of Western NATO power here. When this United Nations Security Council was held, India refused. And the whole European Union were not happy. That is the evidence that yes, India cannot be our ally. They choose not the NATO. They choose not the American. They choose Russia. Again, after 2 weeks' time, United Nations General Assembly of the whole nation comes together. Still, India refused to vote against Russia 2 times. America ban that is foreign policy. Now, the foreign policy relationship of India, whereas anti-India with China, we don't force shock the new wave of changes is coming. The wind of change is coming. But it will not come if you refuse. Then even Naga it will be the Ben Nakaho, we refuse. The best future for us. Ben Nakaho, but we refuse. That's why they choose tribal council. Ben Nakaho is a sovereign structure. Now, without Ben Nakaho, framework agreement is also useless. Because Ben Nakaho it will keep alive. Ben Nakaho, this is the highway to independence, to Naga integration. Hili kaleni, mijik. Kotong mahangke. He it can you talk he packaging here. This is our key. And at this juncture, Arriva, it will never you Naga being in the Krasara. We have NNPG. We have this the GP Federation, many things. But all their ally, or let's say, NNPG, empty vessel. How many times they're going to sign an accord, like Shillong Accord, which will be thrown in the dustbin? NNPG will be the worst. Any solution which does not cover the whole Naga area, permanently later Naga, Bangladesh clay Naga Katong, Bang government agreement India Kairi, Maktaming. But still, because Naga we prefer to be with and under India Union. Kapang held India advantage Kokinda. So, framework agreement, there is nothing wrong with framework agreement. There is nothing wrong with the leadership of NSNIM, with Uncle Muiva, in the act of negotiation. But people sweep Papa Kata actually, young Achitum Hine, 就为怕么个大家还啥子个，看么带爸爸，一种那几把ยัง是几把，一只行爱呢。We are a chosen people, royal family, นะ chosen ordained นะยังไม่ทิ้งไอ้เนี่ยนิ่งละ because I believe อีริงกระจังอีละประหวิวังอาจจะอาบักรวดีเทฟชิฮิลีทีละละริงละ but it is อาจจะนัทุมมังอาลีอีทุม reaffirm ละสังไงอีทุมนักการมีอิน chief อาคาซาดาคือละ political talk ที่สัตย์เคล as a coordinator of political talk ที่สัตย์เคล we will not betray the people อีทุมจิปากอาบักรนะท่านอาบักรวเจลิบาลบารุโน I will never give up my right and the flag constitution ที่ Versailles ก็อีทุม sovereign right สามอะไรอีทุมกับท่านอังนิกสัตย์เลยนักการมีทุมก็ต้องทีละละเพราะเขาฟังทีละมาชวนจีบังทีละอีทุมมาจีตุงชิดคุยใครนี่ people speak คันนี้ตัวพิงอีนัทุมนี่หังไงwe have made a covenant อะไรเรื่องอะไรบางหลักอะไร we have already made our leadership we have made a covenant with God that we will not betray Saint Paul วิทาดานะ Acts 26 19 นี่ครั้งนั้น Oh King Agrippa I was not disobedient to the vision of from heaven I remain faithful อาจี I want to keep นักการมีชีพศาสตร์ revive your way นักเล่น for Christ นักการมี freedom ที่วิบัง our leadership เล็กและ army อาคาสัตย์อินทันตะเคลฮิลี revive means that we will not betray you betray you ทำไมนะมารามุโคอารุณนักการวิ frame agreement betray you อันนี้เส้นไว้นะมารามเนี่ยคือช่วยนะราตานักการเคลตรายข้าจิชมันฮาวเร่อีทุ่มวัดซาเซ่ข้อกซาเซ่ขังเจราตเลยฮิบริบานะขังเจนี่อินเดียวิ foreign policy ก็ไปได้ยังit will advantage later now it's in our advantage but we don't see that we fail to notice what God is doing for us we fail to notice that God has blessed us in this region can you thought being ajitum Manipur government may do no ningla development and the to me crassatle racial economy religious discrimination what can you do we have to rethink aji naga we framework chairman ban naga ho hili itu mi development hi hili tremendous hili le de klai ni aji naga we issue hili framework we're not just fighting we're not just fighting for political or military emancipation of independence not that we're fighting for a nation a free nation we're fighting for Christ's kingdom, that our land would be for Christ. We are fighting to make Naga as a Hong Kong, as a Macau, as a Singapore model. In Singapore, for example, the end to the end. It's just for me, no. Cycle sing I painted that day at the Sentosa Island, very small, but the people. We prepare. Ok to change, ok to change the kare can you thought being natum nakasang day, natum day. Are arriving he was face of someone howre. And are can you thought being hina? Until and unless we have political liberation or military or political emancipation, we cannot have development emancipation. It's not easy. It's not that possible. A day may come. So, in this kind of development, rather to take away your political right, your history right, to take away your land, your future, no. Aji hili mitra kana ina akana to conclude. It hanghai baba. Let's look beyond Nagalim. Itum na peace talk with the other situation runner. Geopolitics. Please look beyond katam nauping, katamping, geopolitics yang lo. Beyond India or subcontinent or India. it is our advantage. Itum ngason now, nakali favor kasa lehere, yeah. Ajondang, may pala shila la itum from people from Khalistan and Sikh, and then the Tamil Ilam, and then from the center part, Ari Kigawi, Orissa, Odisha, Juvi area being Unglaka, they want to be a partner in the struggle of freedom, no? Right to self-determination everywhere in Indian subcontinent. Jadi saya itu share sama rupa, atum na untel leka naka wi uklung hi, kalau naka army kalau itu hine, naka je hine, GSQ Hebron je hine, itu uklung je hine je atum rimpana daruva, itu nama masalah. In US, in Canada, they raised the flag of Naga. Naga we flag jatum raise saya, and they even invited our this Chris Collins, honorary ambassador to the Haida Kli Alisa Laga Kisai. Now, what I want to say is that small issue neji. Ke itu na sala, NSN na sala mening mane. It was not the work of NSN. Of course, some of few friends, but individually. Ka ishi na mening ne ka kibana sa. Itu pi de kle dam tran. Israel na pi de kle dam tran kibana sa rivana sai. Kibanga na sa pala shilala awo yi ping kanga de ping churchly siasa kami mangana may your kingdom come. Hallowed be thy name. Oh God, may your kingdom come. May your will be done as it is in heaven and on earth. May your kingdom come. Correct? Prayer. Why? Because knuckling for Christ is not just about establishing a kingdom on earth. It is also a spiritual realms kingdom to correct ourselves. Now we propose Christ's kingdom to ling father kingdom. Jivi explanation jiva arimasamre ka kani thot na tumni hangangai pawa. Knuckling actually talk hilit. If we were only fighting for political to defeat India, then that's impossible. We cannot defeat India through military might. We can't do that. It's not possible in practical. But one thing, Christ's kingdom, knuckling for Christ. With God, everything is possible. Without God, without Christ, nothing is possible. Our AK-47, 1,000 of AK, 1,000 of this RPG, whatever it is, we cannot destroy India. No. But the people's movement, the people's voice, and the power of God's anointing. And when that is clapped together as people's movement, power in the 40s, in the olden time, the king who had and who has 36 horses, 12 horses are considered very rich. The charge pulled by 6 horses, 36 horses, isn't so? 36 horses na kunda klaya are carrot charge kapai meaning la. But today, what is the power? 36 horses ji power ji akali sa laka chili handler na sing laka under control sa. How powerful is that? But today we have 1,000 cc, 2,000 cc car in your hand. You're driving that. You're driving 1,000 horses power, 2,000 horses power in your hand. And that is called synergy teamwork. Club together. The power comes together. Handle now, carry now, this thing like horsepower, carry out later. It is possible. If the people, the student, the youth, and all we, it was cycle uklung ninga kaina, akawi kangsan kabat chili pijam sala, uklung jakeng damtran, akasata clay damtran, it is possible. Because the power is in your hand. And kanawa chilina, hankai akbaba. Yes, integration. integration hili simple sentence in Hanghai Papa. Government of India integration of Naga is the legitimate right of the Nagas. Ari NNPC kangateping na if integration of Naga is not granted or is not accepted, then what is the use? Na? Jimang Kumune. In Hanghai Papa, we have political integration. Na? Framework agreement, we have political integration. Geographical integration, if there will be fight, a war between we and the neighbors and the Métis or these Assamese, whatever. Yeah? Boundary with demarcation, the Satam Tran, Kongnai Lala, Mingla, Tangulan, Tangula, Iramani, Ramala, Pangsai Jinda, in Shaklamakapailo. So that will come under political or democratic process, political process. But political integration is already there. Political integration will come in the form of RATC, Regional Autonomous Territorial Council. Now, state akawi acak tadarare, but that will be empowered with the competency of a sovereign power. State akali pangmi the force in the achi political integration hiva naka kadile china covers hare. Consequence naka area mangning na makanta lak chantel ya kachungawa marakli itumi kangate minorities kongcharu na vaipuna traklela. So we cannot demarcate, and most of that area in Sanapati or whatsoever Kangpokpi, Yangpokpi, Runo, Kangate Runo, we cannot have Naka integration, geographical integration correctly. Political integration bahiva Naka kadile chili covers halaka. Political implication, political integration in the covers halaka. It will be governed the administrator by or under the governance of RATC. Jenny itumni political integration mean tangkul with South Naga with Surpale Mane, the Chika picture. It will come in the form of more than a state, empowered with the modalities of a sovereign nation. Are we Kangatevi talking Matang Itrahamahangay, Kanawali, Ben Naka Hoho Hili in the Hankaini. Ben Naka Hoho he it is magic. Itself is unique. He Nakana Pomning, Kakamon of Indiana, Nakani India, he separates cycle. If the Nakas sit out, and then if India grant Naka full independence, now Chile, India will be disintegrated like Soviet Union. And you have every right to be independent. You have every right. You have the sovereign right. Please understand. Itumi India we intricacy, India we difficulties how to India kai haure. Jivangan pen naka whole lungli naka the whole naka area without border. Without border. Ben naka there shall be ben naka ho. Statutory body aka salala ben naka ho without border. And enforce that means it is international. In Burma, Nagas in Burma, social culture we pounding Kalei, and in the using Ben Naga Hoho as a window, we will channel our development. Just or whatever development Runo itumna Burma song itumna genre. Kachimang maning ne Ben Naga Hoho will have its office. Ok tu kichida Ben Naka Hoho we office lere, not embassy, but like array kiga, social culture we trade visa we, katonga we Nagali trading sakita kali katonga Ben Naka for Sarakala Ben Naka Hoho shall have his flag. Jenny it me flag Ben Naka Hoho lere, kachinachi. The Chitata South, Nakawi, Itumi, Nakawi integration, Nakawi movement, he Ben Nakaho in the legation. Ben Nakaho, he agreement Kuyasalala, agreement India, Ecotra, where Ben Nakaho Malay Tuta, Katamale Tuta. Ben Nakaho will keep alive the movement. na tum na the Nelson Mandela ANC thi khai to ya atma thi khai ka than to ka pan Africa we pang sap chen all over Africa ya beyond South Africa Chile Afrikaners ping hile ya black ka tong ana ngur ka la ka Chiwi spirit the spirit of pan Africa here na ung tang khu ye ya chi tha da itung mi naka we pan naka ho ho hiva hi he na itung we in the future ari hang the clay tha da a time will come people's voice will be converted into referendum ari Angola UN la ya that na Irish Reno Scotland na the le ya ari we when the voice of the people is converted into referendum and then with the force, no force on earth can say and go against the slogan or the aspiration of the Naga that we the Nagas, enough is enough. We the Nagas want to live under one administrative roof, under one unit, under one nation. The world will not stop. AK-47 people's voice, student being, kanitwat being now, international, nationally, sakhaitran ungtare. And when there is integration, nakakatonga with integration rakhaitran, there will be, and there shall be, independent. Jena, achi, India na chite haitlo. India na chite how the ningai mai the NNPC being hili, tribal council the rakhamitla. We are not tribal. Naka nation is not a tribal. Naka nation of Lungni, tribe, Trakali, Itumchi tribe, Tangkul tribe, Sema Ao tribe, when it comes about the nation, no, we are not just a tribal council, we are a nation. Jivangan Achi, not to me, Kanu Totping, Hang Hangai Pava. Our hope is there, and you are the hope. It will hope Chile, Ok Twina la itumi favorably later. Ok Twina la itum favorably later. Rivana la itumang rabitale. Itumi opponent we economy, foreign policy, military no. Now, atum ne itum ni kamichi turning. Dissipate atum la nasan mamantale. Yena. Kamatai pava natunachi he hang high sawa. Hang high pava. Please. Jishuna 12 disciple synergy teamwork our kingdom, our gospel established with synergy teamwork. We need also partner. Not can you thought it among the Maramane, not among the Maramane, that we have to unite and work together. And as when Kabat Kangasan, please, I will not say that I'm perfect. Itum la Kangasan, the Puig high meaning. When it comes to nation issue, we will not fail. We will not fail. We will give. We swear and bless this. It will be rawi, it will carrying a crystal with me. It will be mangla, mirin with Latoi, Mingaina, not me Shaki Sane. It will Tiaga Matatory, carrying the chang. Kalabakra with leadership hidi legajang, Kotom Milo. Pala Shilala, Virana, Taunio Mikaya, Avakra leadership co. Virana, Taunio Mikaya leadership name. She was dumb hili, Unshun Kavai, Siala Samilo, Sakamang Ning Shilake, Gala Canoe Totping, Yang Natung Bang Maida, Yang active Samilo, Yang Bang Maida, Nakashu, Iwi Wangning, Iwi Suruk Zange, Ila Sapung Re. If I don't do, who will do it? Kachui concept aina itum akasada itum otak room say. God bless you all.
Chichawi miyur. No we your, I we your. Ngatang kui kawai, ngalay, ngatang kui kawai. Hot kanali mirin, shiman hailala. Takanar kikamali mana. Og tui mangalila, vrivrai mangalila. Mai kalakai, maya lakai. Akhane, gichihi. Ame. Ninkan shimre na itumle. Testify saire. naga yur nga tang ka khwi shongza hili sharu khwi kwai tang khul khanu thought itum nang han ga no ya dam na no yi talent aina no yi thang met je na yurli tied kami kiji hi ariri atam we targang sadle. And I think it is pertinent and I think it is relevant that we respond to the call of the nation without hesitation. Meaning kanli kchungkaning shere na we shongza kala na we family kala yurwi shongzali peikagar kasasa ayavali kamahai sanap nap kahai vanap nap kahai ji ngasarno gaji hi latluida pongshok tale.
Ara itum na masodla oshumwe na khangna sambang luishitra klahi masodla is haman lelga itumwe refreshment hila ngran mi pa ora oshum na adam khwimirno.
Hello. Hello. Monitor. Ngatsa ngai bing na ngatsa khuilo chodai ba shine tui khamatha ka chung khang na da sai ka ba mai da chodaur ngatsa khuilo yoli le gi shi lawi aksami ge.
ning shere masot la samili yaro ning krak ma samilo ara adam jang loim rai katha ko lungle gup sang vai sa rai thum refreshment he khwi man da leilaga itum we next interaction on the Indonaga peace process he khwi ka vai sa ora.
Interaction hi masing ka jawrang laga that lui the remind sak ngai peace process li khangashik relate ka sa naga yuli relate ka sa question ko tong han bai ra kha healthy ma ka sa yari pung pa ka pai question hi ka tha hi ka shap in the avoid sa khawai sami lo ka hi kapog sana. Chào mừng bấm máy tờ cái nick. Chào mừng bấm máy tờ cái nick chuyện vật đó. Chào mừng bấm máy tờ. Okay. Interaction on the Indo-Naga peace process interaction hi hopok vai sau se mi kuchung na lang ning da leo kada kichi ka nang han khangai le ka pang khang mi lo pang ka khang jitran she volunteers bing na wireless check wireless microphone je kuya mi no kashabai na tang dai thum khon mazar na khwai malang na khwai la sa se itum chala mang man se atam na makle di shur da itum interaction program hi hopok au se question ngahan khwai sir chamanga jamai question ngahan khwai ya really show me the lay show me here question ngahan ngai bing na pang khang mi laga no we question je ngahan mi bai order question kangahan na bajinak anang ninga ka ana pang ka khangen ng soda awi aming la introduce ka sami rano question ngahan khwai ya really atam hi show me dale
Anh bày hay là ili yau mai kan shang hui shiru club with president sát lễ ili yau mai kan shang hui shiru club with president sát lễ sirli question na hang ngai ji no na thum na sa tak le dong hi tha da iwa tha da shi chang e bosi ji salain lap ni ngai ka sir na hang ma man la ga athang wi le blame tha da framework agreement hi khwain felung sau le ji tharan ne ili hang lo ka India government blame sar ka on the other hand itumwe khwat jung lai khai ne ki ji no wa ta na thum na framework agreement sa da le ji la community stakeholders other stakeholders dong hui voice la tui la dong khui la sa le la bai ka stakeholders ne felung sa khai ne tha ka jin na stakeholder li tha ka progress ma ga tha da thei da le stakeholder ne jaw ga da nu thumui plan stakeholder li thaka communication li gap leola khili gap leola main gap ji khina leo da itum na progress ma zatu voice khok ka sa da racism sar to ji to understanding akha ka la ka tha da stakeholder gap ji identify sai kha ka tha da progress la phai sar le mi dong ning rai ja da communication je palen salai ma shong phai concern dong jing rai ja da shong phai ka tha sar le ji tha da gap bai na tha da forward ka tha le ba ji dio tha da ngan ngai ji no
question kani gthum ngahan gai withile meaning kan ngahan ka mirror chaina later le questions ka tonga je ari ngahan ni baira
very good pleasant afternoon uja illi roviso hoye junjuro kulen wi youth president nei kla e ari Nagaland university research shada klini iwi question chi raise masarang laka question chi in a breakdown samikai. We know the youths are a powerful pillar in nation building. Without youths, there won't be a progressive nation. But the question is how to make a good youth, and what is the role of the nation, youth, in making a good, healthy youth. That is the question. Because when we look into our society, let's say, when we look into our society, be it village, be it the Nagas, we see that, as you have been mentioning, we see that among the leaders, we see some negative aspects. And people tend to judge or pick up that negative aspect very much. So what is the role of the youth or nation in giving positive vibes to the youths, in building healthy or in giving positive attitudes to youths? Looking back into Nagaland or wherever we may be, there's lots of tribalism, there's lots of communalism which has been taken place, or which has been the chaos have been created by the youths. So what is the role of youth, nation, in making a healthy, good youth? Thank you.
Shina long way ne tada khangdeina manghanrang laka ngarai mamanda shina we matun aga sadang hanauge ojali ningshiye kala tmnli hikta gazip khangrum kala itum masan khangrum adam kwikrahi phala gahai ne jibahi reme thuida shina long we matune ne ningshi ponchok tele ngahan ngai bana ojali Tugahai Adam Lee Shinauna Nagawi movement ni contribute sakai jungkule itumi conflict Adam Lila kala ari ceasefire Adam Lila kala ari agreement sign sakai Adam Lila ka ari end the Shinawi prominent role recognize sakai kala acknowledge sakai mthelang ni chena ngahan kangai baba. Where do you see the role of women in the peace process? Shamlagay ni Jing Anaumge.
Sir, na sabai ka question ka tumjing room la ka kang han kami lo kang taping na. All right, one last question. Okay. Sure.
Discussion na was how gada address masali ngai ge. Inala katam na wa shongay na. Hita tang han ngai. Atang sir na we speech le kahang. Nagawi movement here, people's movement nije. We all agree on that. So, people's movement saugada. How empowered is the people? How accommodated are the people? More so, as we consultation bahina, the role of youths in nation building jaugada. How accommodated are the youths in making the decisions as a major stakeholder of the future? Kajibajila, kadeuka elaborate something sangai.
Question kutum hina hanga sir sijiva we especially hina sang yaure. First point ba the failure of framework agreement we implementation runo kalma ba manga ba kapai we issue ba chi he factor trakhni main baba Kamar of India na after signing framework agreement, Narendra Modi, Prime Minister Amit Shah, hina a man of words, God-fearing leadership, meaning to mo. Our issue pa hiva, the force behind PCP jui question dirai, and the force behind PCP hili RSS hina panglakena kisauta any framework agreement he RSS being kala India we think tank, particularly PGP we kala atumi Hinduism we Hindustan we colony we culture kala ideology quick pumping hina share sovereignty Government of India and NACA will enter a new relationship as two separate entities basing on the principle of shared sovereignty. Meaning, NACA we sovereignty he recognize kasavi mangaina sovereignty power he share sangrok laka go exercise hijine. So if the sovereignty of NACA is not recognized, we cannot have shared sovereign power. So meaning, NACA with sovereignty he recognize how the he principle of Lungli NACA one entity, India one entity, two nation equal status. India we constitution unionly merged kasamaning la, or not even above common of Indian Union li. Chithata le how the arwe he we hiaina kangate ali chili flag condition rare chiwi wangina RSS being hina they felt so much threatened. India we integrity kala India we integration we issue hili disintegrate sakapa with the outer Atumbana, even Kikobi, Kashmir we Article 370 Chilela Atuna Cernichi. Yet Chiwi he Sanguma Vake. Government of India now, under the leadership of Narendra Modi, Prime Minister Modi, with the sign Silaka before the whole world. Media Katonga, Li Okti Katonga, we Mangalis. India, we high dignitaries, Atomi Defense Minister, Home Minister, Atomi Commander in Chief, Kalishi, we delegates Tonga, some the Kalachili, Atom. He regret Kasani. Ravina Kayamla, Chui Wangana Kayamni. Ravila, you must undo what you have done. If you cannot undo what you have done, he was sovereignty, how can there be two nations under one nation? How can there be two flags under one nation? How can there be two parliament under one nation? NACA we uniqueness of NACA history recognized as hapali pace masala. Chiwi main failure of Chini. India never ching reore, Kajitala, India la yam kavaimalemne. How can they betray the accord or the agreement which they have signed? Atum Kalatina betray Sapaimne. Jenny Hili. Itum atne kya kasasa la itumi York people sang laka kala itumi NSN we leadership govern chipiaran sang nganing da kale hili yang nganing ra hai ka chipa atne songfu malai mini the January hili blame sa khabai da tra kale ka ina chi ma hangai mini yang esi Germany ka thai la ma hangai mini ka hang khai ni aru hi yang ma hang si jin ka chilla da ka in everything Pharaoh in Pharaoh later clay. That Pharaoh Jausin. Pharaoh Kata Naga later clay. Cut Pharaoh hina Israel being suppressed at the same time Rivana Pharaoh we decree na Israel only set free side. Hili political way India we concept na Shongfu Kapatran, Shongfu Malemini. Kabri Brawi Shongfuena, Kala Nagawi, Ishikalatu, we Kokasala, Shongfu Kapa, Young International Runo, National Runo, Chile, itum the Kokasada Kalewi, Shongfu, applying arts of negotiation. In Atang Hangaula, the talk outside the talk, he will English lagi. But the talk outside the talk is much more stronger or greater than the talk inside the talk. And you are the talk outside the talk. You are the force outside the talk. The Kari betray Sakai Chili, betray Sahare Gichilamning, Kasakavai atom, Shongsaji Pata Klini. Jenny Chili Nurum Kapai Ki force me, and then which is American, there's America, Naga as a whole, Maningdale. And itum Maningda Kale Hili. Mataila Kaina, Tankul Achibaba is as a whole, the whole Naga Shong Achiba addressed them Sangamni. ka itum dai la khana itum ram now yur pa hili in a chi ki sangayan itum avawa leadership li ocha tem rong ocha how wrong we ocha yaw ru no khang te ka thana me mag no hi leadership hili later clamoring la khane leadership sok ta khale hili itum nang ning khai tran people ok tuina la ilitra ka hange nakas of nakra intumi ka thana ping dang tam ko lang ngai ka ngai ngau re ngi fam le ne khan se tam ko khokam sa te mne ki chi jang itum a lung le la khokam sa de ne khok sa lo ki chi hang shon ne the pen khawai ba trak le ka kham tai cha ka ne ko tong ai ki ko to satisfactory question answer mai mi sala pai jang chi le ka sang ka la ma ngai ni ka khni ba na are what's the role of the youth and what youth can play at this juncture people's movement itu process le hi trak ne hili notum na ari ki ga questioner pa tau ari ki ga jingtro leader ba na le hangai kala youth ko tong le hangai notum na kapning ba the solution is with us and we are like a magic we are superman gijinda we are not superman yeah damda khle temda khle kala feelis ta tak le chin notum da but we are the force like a think tank yang chili connectivity m than la ka link sa la ka info sa la ka ilia hang lo ka achila if we message I just would like to convert it in a way like youth empowerment program yang chena chui idea ka ta san ka tik ari ki ga TKS la yang sinang long la khang ga de la miar ngla rong la iliwa khri wi tha da maleng sangai ni khu wi ka tam dau sai ko re la if we roll le ki chen na to organize salo yang khan na tum ni tum ni ngai ka yang inova ai hi wa civil win the home le walo home la piamo le walo asina pisa ka sing da i wa so la piamo na ali walo the shifting flame his haure ka not tum na program shemlo yang I just not tum na program shemlo any not tum we youth we empowerment formula awareness our nationalism we ishula peace we reviving nationalism whatever chiwila yeah any seminar we la awareness ki we la human rights we la ki we la natum na program shemlo yeah ka shem chili tum arar ping de knida la hi ni of course in a neli hanke clearly to be honest itum na youth ping le khani thot ping le ka tam naw ping le itum tra ka sak ta ma ku khile le sare and we're sorry for that. Yeah, we are sorry for that. Each hangai, on behalf of the nation, army mangne, you apologize hangai. Because itumwadunglila, I am the kilancer, I am the chief, I am the brigadier, I am the general. Yeah, I know everything, all-knowing guy. I can do everything. Nani kiteta, gajinda. Yeah, no one will makap tailor gajinda. Kana kilancer pale, the kana namakap na. Mobile phone sing te la alam sing te in the tong sing te la so everyone is empowered with his own talent not to the shemno jo yeah itum na arena he we forum he opens out itum khani tot ila I am the one who believe in the young generation ila chili shikasangkala chili strengthen sakapai kung ne yeah I will be the one to take the main role yeah ili the ralo itum khani thot ralo itum program shem se ya program shem se ya you tuen itum you wang phak khame ki sak shem lo ya kha you tuen sia sa se ji phak sa tam lai ngo ji ba ji la you tuen revival la fasting ko ji la ralo jo ya itum akha sa se kala ralo no tum program ji ko ralo idea ji ko ralo ya itum le rala ng san na idea ko ra hi ta se this is what we dream of this is what itum the journey of our nation movement hi sanga hi saka phara ge ji ba ji itum le empower sa lo ya itum the perfecting la ya na mui we ma dang ina the me re na le ya khang de li we ile na the me gi ji la na so let's exchange that ya iwa ji khamatai a na hanga ye kala a ji we tam hi le everywhere even international national yeah, using church platform human rights platform different student platform here na itumi issue hili promote sa pai itum usually promote sase yang church we ena la promote sase church we platform na siak sabna la promote sase in different form we can promote yang chi kriwadam hili youth being ni itum traka important chi emphasize sa samne khari power NSN movement from jungle warfare to modern warfare yeah are people's week movement unta kainda if we voice live and we voice chung la that ji converse sa khai chili itum na phap tang rum la ka achui li NSN movement meaning relariba people's movement one kainda the chen and we participation hili in what way yeah I cannot spell out yeah you create platform, you create ideas, you create project and program. Rather than the sunroom say even hungry. What we can do in the past, the door was closed, but now I want to say the door is open. She now long we issue it's the answer also a bit similar. She now long young. Arila, Jim. Tata itum na neglect tweak highly neglect sala trakali, yeah. Itum la reader neglect sai ji ispala lele, yeah. Tweak highly itum na. Nani kiteta, Kajang. Kurt, Arwe Tamhili, women's way, idea, patience, far-sightedness, yeah. Kala nothing with creativeness, yeah. Tolerance, endurance in the day work. She man of young. Itum hành hằng là mà mình là chặt tay cái mà mình là giáo sự chính đó, cái xin nào mình có chuyện ở đây là nhá, thế chỉ thà đó, ali cái hàng ta cái mấy nè, nó thùng là idea program cứ sốc là cái ít thùng là rare bình đi, ít thùng đi ra là cái hit thà sẽ chỉ mất chỉ cái, to be honest, cái baru nó iru nó isi cái thằng nào khang cái deru nó seminar sao concerted meeting sara thui ka hai thran yang ti ma bur jang sung de malai sar kai la I malai ro jim ning ne na kha na the program vision khoi pum ga sam thang thran since we have kala about we leadership I ungre ga chili avale thoroughly discuss ai it's time for us itumang hi marar mare ava people sui hili yang kala sabai ka closed door hili itum na framework agreement we policy we are framework agreement le competency ishi mi chi thela ka close story in la chi thek hangai yang ka what is our failure akan khang tha ta failure akhava we did not disclose the competency jena framework agreement we main the sovereignty of the nagas will be defined by the competency. The competency really defines foreign policy. Ningla, itu me executive kala itu me law judiciary kanga de track leisla. Kahi itu me hine kecipaci itu na building mang hi keciteinda. Ka what is the blueprint and what exactly is the component keci? Macite the people's ni hi kesane. Yang ciwi jila. Kisai kahili itum na mahangai ge yari nang ka close door paliva itum competency hila tada arazong chong jang detail en ka theiba phai yang itum di chi ka thei phai jan natum na organize salo jo yang natum ju awareness hila da ta chi ka sa tam thran ni wa chili machu jung sokre ka itum arabing lung ni yang arwa tam hili after 2019 October we thili itum lima ngatang khila yang itum ma tada rala la thira ring la sara da khutlai nang ran sang pai pom lang ran sang pai song alliance la ka ngam thu ka pam da kha itum ling ngatang khu ba ji ba no tum we people sili ja yarang so le jang song organize sai song sa kala church song de sia sa mi youth being na yaron la ring la no tum organize sai la mobilize all over Naka dominated area in south dialogue kind of massive support chite first liver I NSN mang hai re sami house jinda he kwang the mi house sami house jinda finally they came to see that oh yang NSN shao de khala ya khi cái ava chứ sau đó khi mi pa NSN là cấp thật khai ava ninh là ava lấy cấp thật đó là các anh nào làm với cái này chứ nó for solution for peace for our future cái gì anh tôi làm sao là cái support chỉ thấy là cái no. It's people's movement. It's no longer NS movement. The people are with them. We cannot crush the people. We cannot crush the voice of the people. That is our strength. That is our weapon. Then still, our youth we important role to the issue chili. Any situation, any eventuality chili, kasok taran. Not to nanganing me laka. Kala dito kong pwede la. Our si high la proper shock the kale channel Sanapati la. Notum na ning like stand of South kale chili ning la. Notum we shinawi nakawi identity integrity nakawi shinaw sakashap chili kang ning tam trana. Kai ka Hindi la mutidile la. Ning la smart sala kaina. But what the government of India sees? Yang Shibai is Nikita. Shibai na Tata clear. She is full of the issue. Yang Nakawi issue chiva our paptala mo. Nakawi issue identity punktale mo jena. Not we mangai na. NSN hilit. Yang Pakama itum understanding queen. The jena. Any issue, any incident, any situation. I request sangaye. Kalapongaye. Rise up. When that such moment comes. Now, when that such moment comes, any incident, issue, challenges, karatam, tran, youth not to being now, women being now, kala, miyarong la wrong now, kala Arab being no, nganing kamilu, yeah. Even media coverage, actually media jakshim sabay mene, yeah. The media can help a lot, yeah. Ari hili, sorintan na mahang lang jang hang miao ke. Media can help us a lot, can empower. Can educate the world, yeah. Kalau nakawi issue hili suppress masa kawai kecili itu na trak advantage kui pai. So using not only gun, arik namai Vietnam ning ne, yeah. Ka using the voice, your action, your support, your participation, hiwa terkasai, that jiwa lungni itu rahai ka isi Arabing kibaru no sakmai da kuire, yeah. Kalau itu jiwi sakmai. Aru itum hili sakmai da kuye. People with participation, youth with participation, women with participation je kreli wa aru sakmai da kuye re. Kala chili itum the important sala ke na rer ko tonga na ji kuye ja hangai. Aru tikel with the same thing chili samsar khai ni. Yeah.
Okay, question matiji sir nang han ka mer da chi sange arila leida kle question bing ji ka thak mai da han mi si je phara
no election ning da la
ning share tangku mi yang long li da da organize sak mi wang ta lai tu mi kya si ngi ya me nan na ya ri li adam ji kat la ka ni da interaction khu gak mi wang ning share in na tha question jang la maning mu ne kaก็จะทางสิ่งละไอเดียค่ะเสียสร้างไงมันเนี่ยจ้าละเขาเอ history เราไม่ห่างว่าเลยค่ะ2019เลย October 31 2019เลยRN Ravina ultimatum ขมิตาตา talks ที่จะเรียก conclude สักใครเนี่ยเจน่ะอีซี South เลยตั้งแต่นัก tribes ก็ต้องให้อินดับนี้ของท่าก็ even อีตรง ADC อุครุละPrime Minister Office li petition ki biwa sel are tangku nakalong la thanda jang kala khangde te organization tribe to ho ka tong na Prime Minister Office li letter ki biwa ji Government of India na la ta ka biwa representation khwa ji serious ala na khuide ji ji how the people's participation le ki ji how the itu me toxic continue sa watu kain ina hang khangai ya ari naga ho la tha da strengthen masala le de itu me backbone juga civil society sping zaili naga ho hina kham ta ya khane kha ji government of India na thai hau gi da asina hi thai hau gi da asina sakai mi kain ta khui นักโฮโฮเฮจังใช่เนี่ยอย่าอะไรล่ะคุยสารละอีวิธีก็คุยเลยนักโฮโฮเฮrejuvenate สักคุยตากาใส่ก็จีฮี number one ที่จีไอเดียหังขังไงเนี่ยก็นักโฮโฮเวจิงลี่ทุ่มเว tribe โฮโฮก็จุ่มกันเลยตัวเลยมณิปุร sector ส่ง UNC เลยตัวเลย UNC ลีละคิดละหังขังไงมันนี่ไงก็อาศิละ executive คณิตถุมังแต่ถ้ามีพังอาทรามังแล้วก็ถ้าหังสิกละอดก็ใส่ฮีอาจจะอดไม่ทราบมันเองเสียมนี่เนี่ยสระสมไข่เนี่ยก็ regularly ยัง regular ซาลักไอ้น่ะอดก็ใส่ฮีตากาใส่ตะกุยจีก็ reaction บามันนี่ละอาจารย์ทั้งจังคิดละSC จะมีเดลีลิกายเลยอีทุนนักเทลียก็ละขังเตะ politician คณิตถุมละกายเลยแต่จีเลียอาทุมนะ prime minister ลิก็หังก็ให้ home minister ลิก็หังก็ให้ฮีว่า flag ไอ้น่ะอารุยคิดว่า constitution ก็ท่าฮีว่าอาทุมมาจี support มันสลักละกันอีทุม movement ลิจีก็ flag ไอ้น่ะ constitution เนี่ยอาทุมมันไม่อยากลักมัน instead อารุย SC จะมีรองฮีว่า they are more for article 371A 16-point agreement จีจังจีที่ support ซะแล้วก็จีดีที่ไว้ apart from that out of that the article 371A we out of that เลยว่าอาทุมนะจีมั่มยาไงเขาแต่อาทุมมีไอเดียจี1963we idea หินะอารุย2002 2015 framework agreement ฮิลีovershadow ซะแล้วก็ overpower ซะแล้วก็ solution กุระเขาว่าอาทุมยังไงนะสัจจะตักเลยฮิลีอินะ intellectual springly ก็เลยฮิลิปมตักเลยท่านปิงกระทำนาวปิงกระเทียมนาวปิงยาดู organization กระท่านปิงเลยละ challenge สักไงอะอีทุมน่ะ reaction บามันนี่ละ response สักปุ่งกิ้งจีนฮีอาทุมนักสัตว์เลยฮิลิก็ issue ว่า society any society any organization reaction response อาคสิละมันมีลักเลยก็ว่าอาทุมนักสัตว์เลยว่าตักเลยอีทุมมันยิ่งจังมันว่าอีสินะว่าNSCN มังเลยอาชีว MIP มังเลยหอนบอมแล้วก็ดิสมาจีอาชีพนักท่าตา press statement ส่งไปจีมังป้าผมเสร็จเลยยาวิสัยกูรู้อินะเทควิธาค่ะใจน่ะอินะก็ห่างง่ายอะอะไรล่ะวิสาลล่ะ solution นั่นมันเราถูกกี่ดาก็เลยไอ้ทุ่มมณิปุร sector ที่เลยตั้งเลยนักวิ civil society วินัก tribes ก็ท่าวิโฮโฮสปิงไซกูรู้วิกระทั่งเป็นฮิเล regular activity เลยขวายก็จะยังไงล่ะเขาเว้ of course church วิกระทั่งเป็น pastor เป็นที่นั่นละอาทุมรอก็สาจีบังเตเร่ข้าไอ้ทุ่ม people's movement ฮิลิวะ social issues political issues ฮิลิวะไอ้ทุ่ม civil societies apex bodies เป็นนะสากิจ้าวกิดะอีวะมรักขลีไอ้ทุ่มนั้นไม่ยังง่ายไม่สางง่ายอาคาสกัดจีเรียกก็สาบามนิ่งละevery day regular activities ฮิเลสังไงลักเองสิเอเจหังไงเนี่ยอะไรล่ะนักโฮโฮฮิละนักเล่นภาษีว่านักโฮลำเล่นสังไงล่ะอาทุมีว่า1963ที่ state ทุตราเขากิดะอาทุมา state เปิดสักไงเนี่ย financially นักเล่นภาษีว่ามาหังไงมันเนี่ยก็ละอาทุมีวิธีอย่างเช่นเด็กหังละมันนิ่งละอาทุมา financially they are stable official ละก็จงหันเลยไงเนี่ยไม่เต้นเอาท่าด้า in power ท่าด้าอีทุมนักสตรัคเกอร์สัตว์เลยนักสอบมณิปุรนักสอบอาสามนักสอบอรุณาจัลฮิปิงฮิซัฟเฟอร์ก็สามเนี่ยอาทุมนักเล่นภาษีว่าก็จงจะ 90% of them are happy อารุยอาทุมสตาร์ทสิริริงพาแล้วก็ออกทวีตเลยมิสาวกิดะ we cannot expect them to be to do the work like us ยังแต่ในอีทุมสาวที่เลยเลยนักสปิงฮินามาทำให้ได้ regular activities เลยไงใจน่ะอารุยละอีว่าอาคาหังไงอะก็หุยข้า lobby ก็จะเฮียอีสิ lobby มันเลยดังนั้นด้วยนะ there is no lobby group อีสินักเอา society ลงเลย lobby group มันเลยมันเนี่ยด้วยละ lobby group จิตรันดี parties ก็ต้องให้ members อาเซียนเลยตั้งคนเอาละจ้ะนักเอาละ the lobby ซาเซ่ lobby ซาทรันดี prime minister level ลี home minister level ลีจังก็ละอารา ministry วิก็ท่าน cabinet ministers ปิงลีก็ละทิ้งแดงบิ่งเลยลบอีกสาเหตุตากาสลักจะคุยเพื่อสานเอาเดี๋ยวข้าตาสาเลยละยังได้เลยตั้งสังไงอะไรถึงวัดสาเลยลบอีหิมสาลักมสาก็ไปเมื่อไรใจน่ะ for example อีทุ่มอาทั้งวิสุนเอาลงกับ president อาทุ่มบิ่งหิว่า issue thay khai sunau long with president ne athum da than laga for example ja itu min naga saudi le tak naga we civil societies apex body sai korui think tank group aka lobby group aka sem laga prime minister le home minister le every week every month ya athum le lobby sa ta ka sai ki comment mi khai ni sila ka
ni sila ka re no wi chi vas sala khai kala question la answer la zangai ari khamatai chami rong khangate na cha sa la pai khana thumli thing sak ngai ba Common of India and Naka way into Naka political issue hili one talk one solution hili kisane and the talk shall be held only with NACN under the leadership of Isaac Muiva which salaka one talk solution la itumi Naka as a whole Ari chief negotiator itumi avakar auto kilonser he Ari NACN we chief negotiator meaning into Nagawi the whole Nagawi chief negotiator ni so he represent the whole Naga not only a bunch or group or like this meaning chivivangai na Ari chamirong khangate na south khale ko tong hi wa backdoor ni hijack sak fai ni illegal ni Command of India na negotiating team kala Command of India na recognize sa na kala agreement khirakhai framework chili kala kiga itumi NS Nakawi political issue hili interlocutor chief negotiator uncle Muiv avakarli awi thue na maning la khangate wi yang agreement quick fai ka sa chu illegal ni cha achikla ta la khak thire Jiba atum na sai kesala satle yang hijack sak file satle ko itumi machine kala itumi pangshap kala itumi right to India na chamili Naka we issue iwang chief negotiator ka representative ka kapam ning ni and that is only avakar yang th mi bang mangi the chain any solution now which does not hammer out comes from now Naka we representative negotiating team under the leadership of chief negotiator T.S. Muiva maning la khangate ko tong chi illegal ni yang and one talk actually chi commitment mia chon dang na Mishra Kongle the talk the solution will come now basing on the principle of framework agreement yang and Kareli Ravi la hangra son ni yang one talk and one solution and now kala one talk and solution Ari hiva NSN ayamang nei khangatem ning nei atum need na discuss ka sane chan khang to invite them out to come on board when the solution come kichini ka atum na chi tui sa so nei ka mutwita khai official we document official we chi actually media runo later le hauda atum na kya ka sa sala la Ari hangte khlai ta da itum na mashun chiling aning da le ai ka chiba atum la Sara India le yang mutun am samre chimni sata le kachi thala la itumi pangshap le shone yaru vi support kala arwe ki ko we lopi ka sa hi when it comes to Naka ho yi na na khang chim shunge ka hili na aka na tum song ne na UNC le la hangai UNC we interaction yu tra hamale ni kantele le ka Naka ho hili hanglak se ka river Global Naka Forum in the replace Saturday. And a Global Naka Forum Bashiva, Banglakanash, what's that like? That she Nagaland State we and a Global Naka from Kala Nagaland State Bangling, they some rock certainly, young, are we Chuba Chukom wrong, Ningla, a valid rock and the day, Chili contain Naga intellectual truck, some pame. That atom na chi, Tao Siron of Muzangam, from the random that China somehow kick a strengthen Sakamichi, Palake. Adrila. UNC Bashi hin mapigi jino ya kanjiva UNC li to UNC Bashi na Naka ho li kika strengthen sakishine ya matukishine empower sakishine atumi strengthen sakishine ko UNC ni piaka Naka ho varivam sareng thula jibu shangjen na Naka ho hi activate sara je ko UNC ya or the ho tangkolong runo yang khangate runo South li te khle ya ho ho ping na naka ho ho le support sare Nagaland state river naka ho ho ba chi the whole entire Naka era we wang maning la only so called Nagaland state we ho ho shem vai sai a cha kom ne revive sak vai sai ke chi mung ta tu chi ni atumi concept chi ni jen chi di revive sare cha ko hili tang kulong we president saruno yang UNC saruno ke chi we you take li ba khang jon tar ka sai Naka ho ho hili vision ma le tu jim ning ne ka leadership hi thi kai ne ka la atum la or ki ka unfriendly environment ning na negative environment chili challenge breakthrough sa la ka atum hi mer tu jila na to strengthen them and to save them UNC yang ning la ka la khang te na strengthen sa ka jo ashiva jo sa re yang na tung shong an issue shong ai na atum ni strengthen sa la ka program shem hi sa si ke cha atum sa re ji ba je no mi jim re lopi ka sa we ji ba ki hang na re yang je to me it is the right time okti ka dong a lopi ka sa le pe sa tra ka sa te ya Pakistan we no China no yang lopi ka sa le ka isi ji we ki ka we program idea hi tra ka ki ka no khui mo no ka hi li ba isi khala ta ba le NSN khala ta lopi ka sa ba li ba no thum ba na ayar we politician ping your issue hi le that party hi na ta mang ba la ya naga politician no concerned roi ki we bureaucrat no retire bureaucrat no retire ki ka no hi ping na la ki ka lopi sa pai ya ka le chi atungwe ne initiate khui la ga ta da chi li yur changchon re ya yur na kunuk song backing me je ba changchon re ka ari hang ta khle chi li creative or innovative idea create sa la ka yang yur song na cho yang o chai ron so na hi thalo je mang rai lo ya mung re ya je mung re kha na thum na yang to ko lopi song hi cho to ka itum la ka ka sa ka ji program ji create ma sa ka ka la marak le na thum na voluntarily ya la sa pai mp wen la volunteer sa la ka pai ka ta da iliver mp phang la ma sa lo ari platform ja khang mai ka vai party te bing yang Naka we issue le concern khle hi bing ding rum la ka i sara ja ka ru atam ni sara ka atam ni ka la ru na na khang chi na da a cha i la the prime minister 2019 we le jang the same thing he chi ari people ari khang cha ari na tum chi na tum we role chi ni ari la mang ram ni chi we type long da la pai kha chi tha la ya ri with ngin ka tran youth we women we church we are we political song ru no yang ngin ka khai tran ni ba innocently somehow they can suppress in a different way but they can't suppress they can never suppress the voice now the collective voice of the people jiba atum na sake that iwa jiba song na na khang tha answer la question na de sang de mo ta chi phai ta hang ai chi ba ka chi itum de rabing le la ta chi ki sa lo ina la are samang ta khlai li ku shaban da rabing le la share sa re ya itum step chi koi ka vai ki sa chi ya ka lopi hi itum yen na ba ma sak pai le here lopi hi ba na tum shong ai na tum ji ka pa are ki ka CSO ping student ping ho ping even politician being la chuen la chi main ma chi ba chi na effective sa me re ka li hiwa dam hi li irrespective of party ili hang no ka pi chi bin no congress no NPF no hi sa na ma le la na ka wi bang chi na ka wi bang chi li na ka issue hi na ngai na ka issue li party ma le no na ka army li tribe ma le ma de Naka army jai ko chiba we are one family army means revolutionary army freedom fighter na iwe identity kita iwe identity ba I general ka ni chief ne yang tau iwe identity kita AG ni adjutant general ne major general ne yang that's his my identity yang iwe identity le tangkul mi chila mu tham la yang ta chita khamai na naka issue hi le party malim no naka issue li party malim ni jen na naka with politician naka with any concern ya leader ka tonga na collective ma naka san la ka itumi issue hili proof saran ni ile hang no ka be it BJP Congress independent na ma independent no ya hiwa tam hili proof ka sa hi phai jang ila yuri wang ila hi wang ka chi framework agreement ari shinau long na khang framework agreement hili ka tha how can you backtrack how can you betray the agreement that itum hili support sam na ning ka ari na ka pi ka ta khle why not government of India prime minister na sakta khui ma khui mata atum na chi implement ka sama ka sa is different thing how seriously about that how do they going to implement that is another thing that is the evidence that the people support framework agreement. That is the evidence. Itung we nakas, itung uniqueness, itung identity. Kalau compromise sama kecibaji, jang, iba cisong baji iba, ajwi kira Adam hili, ketong alit ada ji encourage sangai. Thank you.
Mga hanjau rang laga majithat kapai kanang ka plum question kathum matili limit sakhwai sa se kashabain dangda sangna da elaborate kasa atam sangna da ka khui jila masami kapai ka posat le question
you are ming pam resort I ping hoi tikele we former president ne aru you lemle president aru incumbent president Pamdale, as a purposely he wang, ishi pas aka, higher salakai, 40 of us, he wang meeting he wang kakane, color invitation, that out of the blue tie, as a hita, brainstorm sang room, discuss sang room, the invitation sambang. 15 years down the line, itum tigale actively involved sahi jingum tatapanga, kakane, kaita the kranau. Shokjing ungjing kerjaan ida ungsajing ke idom invitation umsang manglam ne. The 15 years down the line hili samang kar invitation sau da. Ati tu wang wang mata kak kerja ka sai kalau kerana na kamatui. Hada da katai sam kapang. Mana apala ke idom ring apala ke. Jena kada kau na question type jang amnim ne ke isi impal base wena. Hada hang hangai akalai kerja. My infal hi strategic salak hai apam mahne multi ethnic society khle apam sensitive la sabapam mai ara tili je strategic sa da infal hi la strategic salak hai apam ahne jena issue shong jikhala tangkhul we businessmen la pai lawyers la pai academicians la pai politicians la pai activists la pai chili concentrate sadale tala hang pai jena jiwi kada da utilize sa pai da khla ga jiwi khamchukla tarka sai de da khuye tada itum na treatment sa mongshon ga ja ai infali pam da khlebing hia mai te li lup ka hainda atamba simpam simsa ka hogda compromise sa ka hainda ga jiwi tada treatment masam ga phanglam nim nei sambang ngai kha ka da da itum avaram hi disown sa jang la ga chat ka jang ra jaina Knau Knali, that the organizer being the hang high banava. He infalli snow long later lay, deployed the Danku People's Organization infal the later lay. Additionally, he kahang some milagro, he platform he kahang some milagro jauda, he aru in a kangning ne, Knau Knali hita yuwi, Kasak Chan Kangzek, he had the discussion the aka. Infal Jang Kangai Jang Saugada in Kaho milagro Kijibahi. He had a hang sang high name, Nishlakaida.
Remitida it with general chiefly Kayashi Bidale in Ilitanmi Hoye, Tanghum Yang along with former president. In a Nahan Gigiji Kamatai Akavatum Ishi general. Kila hang mere competency he close to the high ho the hang kamai the shi mang han pai thure จะฮิปาฮิลียารุยนะ competency ฮีไม่จะเทละก็ถ้าเด็กก็จิวยคำตุยฮิละตราขแล้วเด้ออีทุมเด้อฮีมาสักกับไปไม่จะเทกับไปมารำแล้วเด้อยารุยลีมาหังกับไปเร่ฮิปาฮิลีอีทุมตรักค่ะมาหังพาเร่ก็จะไปอีทุมคำตุยว่าจีคำตุยเนี่ยคือยารุยเนอะถ้าเด้อนี่มันก็เท่านี้ก็จิวยมองถ้าเด้อว่าทุยก็ให้ท่านละขึ้นแล้วกี่เด้อจีถ้าเด้อพันนิงเด้อเคยเลยเป็นจิลีละก็ถ้าเด้ออาทุมรีไม่ชีขบายคิดดูห่างเบียก็พาร์ก็จะฮีจิกท่าจีละเดี๋ยวไม่ขวาตาละห่างสังไง competency ฮีมาห่างกับไปห่างก็ฮีท่าเด้อเลยกับไปแล้วเด้อก็จะไปฮีพับตามไม่ค่อยอาทุมรีละจิกท่าวิอาขว่าให้มิงสังไงก็จะฮีอาขจากนั้นก็ขันยาลีมาอีทุมวีจันกษกฮีพิสโตฮีก็สร้างขังกษกราให้เรงกษกตะคลายปีนจวดไม่ได้เลยก็อีทุมยารุยงไรตะคลายปีนจวดไม่ก็จีท่าเด้องไรสันแล้วก็ปมเสด็จคลายเนี่ยจากนั้นอะไรยารุยอินเทรสเนี่ยท่าเด้อยารุยอควานเนี่ยตัวฮีห่างไงสิเนี่ยบ้างกษกตะคลายจันกษกฮีมกุบสังละอัตมวาลุยก็จีทันดีถ้าเด็กนัดใช้ปุ่มช้อนด้วยก็ขังเทออปชั่นขังเทสเต็ปถ้าเด็กคุยว่าหัวเราก็จีบว่าฮีถ้าเด็กไม่ทอดก็สังถ้าเด็กตุยบาจีจีนัดใช้ปุ่มช้อนด้วยก็มุกุบสังแล้วล่ะถ้าเด็กสวิงร็อกแล้วก็ขังแล้วก็นัดใช้ปุ่มช้อนด้วยก็ขังเทออปชั่นฮีคุยตัวออปชั่นว่าหัวเราก็จีบว่าฮีแค่นี้ถ้าเด็กห่างไงจีนี่เชื่อเลย
Thank you, Ari. Question je hakamo. Matala ke Ari TK lai tang stoni nan impal wije ana chidi ina chiling han khangai issue le. Mai achina khreni now the Africa changes right. Kreli kokomi hi itumni against asai. Mira pai pi hi isli against asai na tumthe UCM Amsu Amuko Ningla student they being eating totally against me. He after 2-3 years itum relationship bil salaka matala kan ishi raimi we yang kala itum we relationship kasang kapil saye yang chiwadungli kasang kachi sakra ko yang hili itum we major general retire amai paisolele ala jili kigra I shokai tran ji withdrawal la tra khang rewe yang aram hum bu main dang de la hokhi la ka pasa de mi chi da shem la kha ari present hili meite kokomi hili issue li iwili la khani tum shi de sangai re itum political we mathalak khaina phap tang rum khaini yang then a phap tang rum da khlai ji khareli ba meite ping itum yang shi sa sai itum na atum yang shi sa sai atum na itum yang shi sai kha now the relationship pilap sak hai withili kokomi hi ariva itum akhasa de leye kalamite we underground kuchunga hila ari itum phap tang rum re tele kha na tumi hang khangai pa ba relationship khaleji political relationship en rai jena atumni ka hang pa ba if the Naka can coexist with India. Why can't we coexist with Meitei? Yeah, Meitei he na, ari Manipuri indigenous kala native he Miyuri Kanimange. Naka ni Meitei ni. Jena if we can coexist with government of India, why can't we coexist with you? Ka Meitei na Naka he kali relation pilapsa kali coexist hara. Yeah, Manipur state we are singly coexist Sapamni. Nagaland state we are singly coexist Samni. Kivangraj Manipur state here India we colony akande. Colonized with the culture, with the religion, with the everything. To colonize Kanglepak. Nagaland state Hila. Hindustan we coloniaka. To colonize Nagaland, to colonize Naga freedom movement. Jenny he we limiting like above Manipur state. Above Nagaland state hili itum kokasada pangurum say. Hili itum sase. Any issue, be it boundary or whatever it is, ini meeting na nakana songfuji palaka chili itum solution passe. Kala hine, kachi we relation pilap kasatam tran ashi massive changes le here yang Christmas adamila ashi mira pai pi sang ka avakar issue with Preston Carol la sang ten chi changes ari ra hoda yang nali nare chi yen hang ngai pa ba you same ni le sambang lo ko community le sambang lo the body parents body yang mira pai le sambang lo itum hi related klai tangkul naga wik tam naw long ko itumi tangkul naga shinaw long ko ki sambang lo yang sambang lo kiwang le ka kreli ba itumi unfriendly environment chi de threatens other like sander ka ri chi maning ri mani yang asia arwe ki ga kokomi mira pai pi ili chang furije yang ka dam ngalang zrai dam chang nang rai sa ni yang ki ban the na si kara sa la pai ka chi tha ho ta ri chi we dam hili issue wi mangai na maning la yang are tangkul naga foothill area we nam thala ga ning sik le yang ke na tu mu shongai na la khang ga sik ji ma kai lak ni tikel we na tike lai we na yang ko le tu mi even tangkul long we na atmi kili sang khapang ka le relation pi lap salu I chi encourage sangai ki wang re ka atung ni ma tha da sikai re alung le lang sik se ki ju le he re yana na tum people sulung ning sik lo ti I chi ba chi encourage sangai ga arwe ka former president Mary ki ga pa than mi ja competency which ki ga hilima hangge yang ji ka sang wa ho re ka in the main competency shim shemaka what is the main material and the component bakra ki go shem dak like ka ki kre yang shim shemaka jen yurwi shim to build a sovereign building to build a sovereign nation kita defense ningla judiciary executive kangate ari trade and commerce kangte le ta khle trakhle fei yang custom runo ki runo ko te trakhle khachi ko tonga chi competency li itumwi ishina control sara ishina ki sara ki le sar khai ni in the policy of joint defense in the policy of shared sovereignty li foreign policy li share sang rokra arikali joint defense there shall be joint defense there yang naga defense force and the Indian defense force yang ko Naga army mele la the defense force joint defense force because they have recognized that there shall be a separate Naga defense force the chita the chipping main way component competency he 43 shi ga the he in a gshen hang ngai pa your flag constitution the competency le sang sar kind of asina now the ishina sovereign nation akwe mi kran recognize how la the flag ka tha constitution ka tha chili asina twist ko samai to cuz Yurwe nation akwe sovereign nation aka building sa the clearly to be component to be materials to sangsar how la ya chili wa sangsar khai to la khachi ba chi declare masala ya ki ka sala ka are ki ka mathadam sa barang jangaru bi Ravi we atumi negative ki attitude ra khui da chili ki samai da ka agreement na khui da ba lai sar le la da chi pa la ka na thui som sa pai la ka main ba ba in the hang khai ba ba ari la tum flag constitution chilo simple example Naga with Shim India with Shim two separate entities Naga one entity India one entity now we Naga as a nation now we building hiliva like by sare water supply ramre electricity ma panre michi pai ne chila if it is already a separate building it is inclusive of everything everything is included roof ma chang mane michi pai mane two entities sovereign nation akas how the recognize sang rok how the chili flag no constitution no automatically chi rakhai ni it me competently kegre anthem and plan ke chi insignia agreement le to ka kale anthem chi kale la sau re insignia chi kale shishin re if we don't use our flag kala karman of India na la bai it flag ma mi mri jim ning ne mi hai re social and cultural, especially pen naka holy, use as social culture, not as political, not as national question made. Kakachangkat power, flakish is in Byre, young Nali Kikra Kika Hok Samia Laka Sadim Sang Bimere, Majim Sang Bimere, Jamputena, Mizobashi that the shadows Baila, issue Kushini. Ili Hang in the process of negotiation. Hili, young, is in the arts really, Kikato, Vadamu, and Atumna, Kapika Yang, use of the Kiksani, Kachankat Baba, agreement to shoot up, young. It to me, sovereignty he recognized how the Naka uniqueness of Naka history, political situation recognized how the Chile Changsur Kaini, Kala competition Chile Changsur Kaini. Cut Atumna. Locality we kala to me argument we hilik and day data at the Rasalaka Kapikyang Laka, young Arena Kang Data, young I know you Shimley Baraka, electricity Zamurko, window Mazamurko, water supply. Now, what is that? Young Are you issue made? The chain are we hili competency we issue hili, my main Makisari Kurt clearly. Isina disclose masari ngai sila clearly framework agreement hi la masang roxe the rala ka ashina ravina rasaula nang and deleting new relationship ya mingla new ji khechokai la ka ya inclusive na relationship na are we atomi enduring inclusive relationship ki including inclusive I mean enduring inclusive new relationship. Clearly, new. Clearly, young Indian initial Raisa Sala. Clearly, India we consider single lela. Kari meaning la new relationship. Basing on the principle of having sovereign power, sharing sovereign power. Lela. The sovereign power share some work. What does they mean by sovereign power? What does they mean by sovereignty? A sovereign nation without flag, insignia, without water supply, without electricity, that's it to me. Good hagret. That the Chipili negotiate Kasawi, Kotology, Kakapika Yang, negotiate Kasawi, Jinika, Kakaniakan is a process. Ariatan Hang. It to me struggle here in a counter ups and down later. Itum Ari Hili, Mungshum to the Aritang Haura. Among some that are Sassonok Zilla Mening Money. It will make a ton up in Kangadabing, Itumla is a process. Talk we process, it will go on. Kirkangade we process, revolutionary process, Chiva, Mishman money. Talk Chitang Hai Salapai. Example, now, Steknan Salaga Jankani Kajamati Pangata Salala, the process of Nakawi, revolutionary process, Nakawi struggle, freedom movement, we struggle, we process, it will go on. And it is on. I don't know to look la mang by the army song, no, country song, no, Ker itum expect Saturday, not to expect Saturday, Bakashum road to age, thank you.
Now being the question Jungang Hanaira. Question kini kutum daidak le hi ara sapaya kava kani thought way nala nganangai le
Honorable Chiefly kanghana ka sangai le aming na masobam kasar itumwi shongza he ngong we no bok laga tangholi yari mangali kharjan kasa sam ka pangkhangna sam ka panghina githea itumwi toki progressive sala kaina chatale kiji thada shankwi hiwya lung hili adang sana hangai thala empowerment of youth kaji li aka ngahan ngai idum tangkhul nawa ka pra wena patriotic sala kaina pra hydra the shane ka chi sustain sa ka vai systematic sala kaina wordam kaji should hi tarkar sai da khue idum tangkhul bing chaili naga nationalism naga issue li doctorate quick hai ka chungale ka Kanu thought be school li hiwi maramli tamda kale wi malai thugida mathala aina tami khawai apong hi khawa thada thi chena sabaya ka school li tam khawai non credit paper ng sa salala systematic sala kai na tam khawai resources ma hei sang pai ra kala chiwa pong chi mam chup tale chik thadam dharan li skilling of youth hi mara pai mi rikla ke ji hi chifling han ngai ni slagare
Education Minister ning to the kang han chi reji. Kisada knowledge, education. Ari kamatai shongfu nei. In atang hangaula Jeremiah and hang that ya. You are my instrument. You are my weapon. It me future we can you thought we weapon here knowledge nei. Knowledge ni, education ni. Kaya ni hilak hang hyper basing on Hosea 4:6. Yeah. Due to the lack of knowledge, I have forsaken you. Yeah. As my priest. As you have forsaken my knowledge, I have forsaken you. Education knowledge we hili katem tangmi trakling. Ka inova hili itung we issue pace hili. Yeah. Naka we issue pace hili. Naka we culture society hili. Mermaid katem ping sina matana ka jika saklay. Katem ping sina jitan kijini. Are we hang the clay, he naga we lit uncle limitam remata trakle le papa me. Why can't we also form scholarship way, education with fun with banka chita natum. Are it to me, Malayla? Ili hang the army chief Nakisara Jika, Ilva, you are now well already in the example then. Kurt, are we dynamic salactically? Are we a dumb he did dark side, now we were meaning la. Are power and weapon in them. Future youth we weapon here, education. Yani he Ari hang out he will eat to win you win space at Tire. And then she we education with scholarship fund we bang it in the sung me Maramere. Song for lay by. Song for legend, not money to me here, Lazata Legisano. In a vaji, Ishinama mirrors halala. We can influence the so-called government we many people young to be atomly fund track we are beneficiary mavala out the pocket saster kai trackly chikataji corruption we legal chikataji right to the kicker concerned school or chili bashung kawai a kind of watchdog or vigilante sometimes young sala kachi itum lila bao mi lagi thala ka idea ji kuira laga hi kichibaji wiji you take liver there will be scheme yang kisadam le ruta yang the itum UN ma mirror sala la chikata apong chivale sare yang apong tra khai na yang the hili UN ma memory lam ning ne yang pa itum na priority pa education and knowledge and education and knowledge hiva kira itumi could line yeah the he will lead in arrival in a mirror to the Bangla and Mahang by Kachitala he education we he itum let's have more interaction itum lungni toy made samang si certain group society itum ki track la rai katata itum na he we school ja haulo even education issue yuri education minister la sangai ji jang kichibawa higher type of teacher ningla kala gocha ka jang khat ba na mle la ka school higher sa la ka sa ka sa matha the education promote ma sama kala ki ka wi high school ki chi da school la matha da gocha na ma pe mirror ka jang khat hi ka thai hi ba fight sangai khoi thuma idea mle la and are we collective sala kaina na tumi education we expert being ocha being hinala hita ka pare hitara chiwi concept paper la or information la mi la ka sa kha chiwi ithai khuli ba hi na tumi ne itumi ne ngurum la ka joint kind of effort ji meaning ka sak itumang yang ka 아루 강타더 주바 이tum지 상록시 join a foreigner hiwi education empowerment by liang to ning share jo
ning share kan nu thought now shinau bing question malai thu jila
và cái nào khang hanang soge kya shikbaya itum sai korona kya shik dongi kse amaili khang hanang sangai
no we ming ham
ili hanrung bam hoy aje knui thodak sa de knui thot bing na phap ma gada khle phap kata le ai ka itum hi khok sa me khok sai ka jili bang shep le sa sau gi de phap ta ka zak le ga ta de kring ba ji khmtai sa de yogi da yu phap ma gada hi ina hang khangai ba ga ki la ji ka agreement sa ga hai hili itumi matai lak hai third country China unconditional prime minister level matai lak hai ka thum hi tiong mai kho iwi thi khuli khang jai tha da thei chi ka tha da kan na ma yaw gi da chi kan na khmi ji khi le yaw da gi pa ji tiong mai kho thengai yaw gi da ameli ngan sang
thank you ishi yurla india ni hakka practice kala shoot sala ka yang wicket sala ka saraj ma pring samne iji confess ngai ka talk initiative sang 1996 li late righteous pilot li first karali iena avakar istum pamai firstly now the chairman Isaac so the Chile Kangba we sincerely want to explore and find a solution. We have done everything we could, leaving no stone unturned. We're spending 600 crore every month in counterinsurgency. Chivi wangai ni tumning tharlak kai na kharani muiwachi. Muiwachi hoy rai. And Ari he says that Ari Chiwili in condition Burmani to build up trust and have a conducive, friendly atmosphere. Chile ituna ishikatana being the tree condition meaning like a principle laid down side, and that is the talk should be held in the highest level, prime minister level. Naga issue is not about internal issue under home ministry or this and that. The talk should be held outside India because Naga issue is not under Indian Union or has to do with the governor or India affairs, meaning to the international issue, the external the foreign liquidity. Yes, the talk will be unconditional. India na issue condition samre. Nagana la clearly if he's away NNC that nothing short of independent quit in the India does the slogan sadaka Shillong Court Kuyawe and is in la condition Musang Roxy. Chimongaina, Kisane Chilematala Kadam Yang Chuetam Hili Atumi, Devi Kota Narasima Rao, Matang the Costa they ran like a Nintalak in the Rai. Issue we Avakaronga to me. Foreign leads at the clay, Sakla Kaye, Jik Sakji in a Taye, what I remind the Kapaptare. Ani Kaniva, Tadakazak me, Kawi family, Atumi family, Kala, Atumi chairman Isaac Su Kangadevi, foreign with visa, country, Saklaki. Passport Kangade country Shamkilaka Kasatne. Avakrova. Awe Minji Peter Rai to Holaga Malay Sala. No, Kathmandu airport to Makan Gijitla. Yeah, Kathmandu to Vagalap, our passport immigration Jaime Isla. Hi, Harry. Nana. Are you sure you are Nepalese? Yes, Jitla. Kakiteruda. Jitala Pamara, Kathmandu airport le Laga Rerhomo. Our immigration counter was Singli Pamla. Immigration passion Peter Rai. are Peter Rai va we ming mning la ava khra we ming ning la and keep pning la pa la ka last la bunda this is yours na isn't your name Peter Rai what is your name and ara aving am lai how what is written in the passport what is written in the passport that is my name do you think I lie the young and lastly detail like why you cái thằng tên nuôi mình là mất thế đây là hàng chén này nhá, that là sắc lắc này, that example này, different passport and in different embassy, he deals how does it go, keep out we it we church we organization ministry, what I'm telling you, we mission of mercy like say, how can we go on all the it we difficulties and labor pame. Visa with difficulties, difficulties how can the Prime Minister of India can be made subject or be subjected to the foreign embassy all the time. Prime Minister Prime Minister he India Prime Minister represents not only interlocutor, originally Oscar Fernandez, George Fernandez, Prithviraj Chauhan, they being the Rai, Sarai, Kurjivili, Ishinabama Kangni, issue with difficulties the Drakalani, foreign travel Sawi, can't shoot the how the pirate the Kurt, Ari Kak made the continuous the preaching house, not in the process of months. Then arriva kuching house is that you how the government of India invites the government of India with Prime Minister Nani invites Hanaka whole kung like you in the process chiki kasani that you things were okay. Indian had how the your monkamu NSN monkamu avakra namatem namajibaimni. We trust Prime Minister Akavi, Prime Minister Metipangaradakle, Indian Kahanda, Nakana Kahat Maningla. Kulatum Prime Minister level yadam kisai Aravash Payruno Dalagan Juatami to me Nagawi unique Naka history no Kalay to me even Ben Naka Ho Hilla Ashin proposed Sanda share sovereignty Hilla Congress Ashin proposed Sanda Ashinamat Pilo the Chiktani the Jenny that the Karani young and the Katonga Hiva Atumi Ningmakater young India Ningmakater Jiena Karane Kajitala Itumi kick away principle aluminum young rock cannot betray that if it's a hangai junk. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, let's what I Adam ngahan kangai question ngahan kangai mele ke wa hina ketang sauce Sir Lining Schlager. She you showing in the presentation we Adam kasi ka quick violate le na sin Adam juga quick bayra.
Kecengkat itu we general na mihauda na panglan saji je pare ka jodai de tathui khai ni chen in issue we long we on behalf sa the issue na je we the organizing committee jirali clearly hili mi akhni chokau side le chen athumli li thumwi legacy ning issue we panglan sangai Jenny in the Aming hi pasok mire kle hui banglan hi in the isi survey brave John I don't think in a ri bagli banglan sang sak ngai chen stagely kakam you know itum da tam hi sangau gida aming hi pailakan basok miram re chena thada TMNL tangkhur mayor nglalong executive katong le itum na Nagaland wena legacy panglan sada itum morflon now mingai chena executive TMNL executive in the states le kamirano katong da kakam yor jo atam save sam ek bai bang atom hi save sapai mek vai wang itum we kup gasang we seha sami oja remember remind la panglan sangai le kala hopok mi seha sami reverend mion sing ngalung lila isim panglan sangai le kala khanawli aju itum we moderator yerso tawpem lila ali le itum panglan sangai le itum sai ko na stage le khakamilo ning silage re ichumwe yul songna presentation ji panglan ka saje arui hina ngasamo ge ning silage re
Ajui consultative meeting on the role of youth in nation building. Kangchang writer Sir Kala Sarshi Shimkurli Chunganing Shere. Hikatha Kapa Adam Aman Kasakatamitum Hon Luisara until such time Sir Lee Nishi family Limahai Mirano Rimpa Mirano Jihi. Hilik zibdak la yari sai koro mutun sada hangspun ngai ne sir kala yuri krana radak le sai koro le nishina ira gaji amachut sada itum katonga da panglagi nakchi pang phese Arab kupsang bai khwai closing prayer Reverend remembering Maina Kupui seha kakunyaron.
Kup kesangwi siama sarang leka Rirawi tuya ke pasok de Kedong samap salaka Rirawi tuili aka kani macam sangai Kya shikinye tumbi yuwi Dialogue in army league Tana Oja Awi very well Madam Sakrum Dakli Dog Tana Ping Ningshi Lakhairi Chichur Shongaina Hangsok Ngai Generation Kini Chiding Sun Kui Five Tong Kasatsi Mikshuak in the Kui He hung the leg Tong he next generations Lee Ring Vagi the clear in our run tumping with Vangi kia shi khngi itu mi nation a ku chief na ku kru headquarters ung shung da khong hi iram tong hi limiting hiwi khang changi na ku sang ma sa lo ningli tip sangai la ka shim phung khong chi fusion sare mi shit lak kaing sot nau sa do da lu de ning share ko ro ja li hangai ini ba itau ching ro ke yak ka kan san le do iwi itumi tobang atam apam hidra atam hili apam milung jang de khlei chiwa aman ga sakang sara thi sangi Bible text ga pa shoke de ga tu kurak ni macham sang John mingai Jeremiah chapter 18 verse 7 to 10 li pi khaya khaleng tu hili condition la kami condition hi nga kha political situation success hi ki pakhui pangni mening ne itum response ati should lay in between very right itum child chio in a page kachi katha yura khali nilalo ungramma khali nilalo in a sagazam haura the hangai wi wang chikatha yur china magapha ga sawi aina ningatai account in a magapha sagi the ranhai ga saji thaura kala kachitha yura khali nilalo ungramma khali nilalo Saka mira kala lingka mira da hangai salalo iwi kahang mangana mado magya od saka ina kapha samigida laigasachi masa milui mara ara chiwi ko khatwa itumi response should lay mamlai sing sort now ping sakruma ping tailakini youth thira the clipping chitum dipsang hausi mai ina mangangai gutum achurashang the wilungli cheers we kathana itum no itum saran magasana feelers trakli national workers li siasami ga kij bahela laga hebron li chang siachak saku khui aina tangda leide le kho chi khongui step by the khui to step li in a sami gi ne wi no chi wi ro ni we pre sudag sa de wi ro ni national workers we child lo tharlak kaina achi thum public kaina national workers in child relationship pi chatmandli trust shimandli ko table le namung mu sa khui pai mre mirine ne proof sang sangai national workers pingli we censored appeal bo people's mandate clear kala people's movement ne cha kha adangang da dei thum nawi mirine no proof sang sangai Mashan sakti meaning mene Bible tuino. Vrivrawi John 3:16 win interpretation mataylo vreshik sadhado. Nation with team moto mataylo national workers ko saino trak wichara re mali tang sakai draga clay maklay meaning mene. Chitum clear sang sangai. Nation with team jikigala the gataya pachi tongana. Rai brown meaning la khawa ba pomni thaing sakngai worker sang sangai chi tum tonga pilni kala psychically youth ping dialogue in youth to panau ya chi chi sau do yak ka sakwi motor idum pung mati phanga pom la ko ka sak tui hang hai hi kyang li ka shokai na ari rai li to pali compromise masailo kanau thang shirok sara Malaysia laga chi apang waga pelipon the compromise masailo na ikipagla da tailu ning singchiyo ming saka achu itum lay the shop by king madamani ning kui shapre hili 1000 kisip the hi kika madamani in a movement shapre among the chiefs are the lake itum tong si sadam regido chain iwe pilva kanithot ping saikoro lungli na hi kipagla da tailu iwi identity hi mayor haido compromise masahilo dum tong achu yak sakto shi mir ngala long na than la kho ka tong li burden le la kaino shi bi chief wi kala wi college phi ung shung de le hi I wi wangne de khul ga phung wa chi na wi ka chat chat li na wi mirin chi na campaign sang sarano na wi commitment ji yaron ngala chung wi future ng tang ku ng sarano chi hang la kho maninga sel ga yu thum ri braw so khmi khu yaw sai ko ningas Siasasi Sashap Pangshap Rai Kamatayo Ishava Privra Semik show he Kaikang Aina Ranmi Gahay Atam Sangsak Midaning Shi Hairi Singum Hiranga Shavang Ra Shawong Ra ชายิงรักก็จงคอยมีรินจิกัดเลยเขามียูรีริบรานวิวังเนดึงนิงกาเลยเขากุยมาเรย์ที่เคลียงเล่ปิงวิลุงดีคริสต์วิปังกับพาหากชกก็ปังผัวกังสากไว้นั่นหาคุยเฮาก็ดชาวางราบีอุกลุงดีนาวไว้ถ้าthe vision ที่สังมีเลยเขาอาจูสิงห์มังชินีที่พังอาลังเดชราตะกลีนี่ชาเรลตายชายเรนเดลโชกให้มังลากจุงกจิกได้เร่ทาลเลยตุมีชงจามัสนุอุลักสักมันเอวริบราจีวังลิงชีทวีราตะกลีทอดนาวราบิงวิมิรินลีอาจีตุมชดตะกลีวิเพการิมกานายเลยก็ปริบราลินิงชีให้เนตมสอดขมีตัมราขวายดอกฐานปิงนฐานเลยก็ปั๊มยุงชุงดอพยุงการสังเลยก็นวิราวตรากลิชินเลยก็ช่วยมาไทยลักให้เนออิดมีชีฟลิชินเลยก็ปริบราอิดมีตาซันกลิขเลยอิดมีปังชับกลิเลยขเลยก็ช่วยมาทิ้งริกันอิดมีจุกรุมไฮรีอิลิราสังเด็กเลยก็ฐานเด็กชูรักลมไทยนักให้เนนาวราปิงขณีทอดปิงอุกลุงทีบสังให้เลยก็วากิดเคลียมมังอาชงมิรินลีวอียูร์เชมก็การจีอีวิโรงนี่อียูร์งตั้งก็คืออีวิสารันเลยต่อมันนิ่งกันเลยครับมีกชีวันเนอช่วย participate ก็สาวีปังชับจีพระรามวินิยังคงสังสักมีลูทุยกายลีมีกชีวันริยอนกายสายอนกาย national workers ละไป public อิทุมละไปปังโมนิทุมละไปพระราวิมังอาลีพระราวิมียูราก็สาดมันนิ่งก็เทวีขังเชยสมังไงเลยท่าละล้อเพียงมีลูกอาร์บริวายทุมังอาชงว่าเกนั่นสอมิโลดเสียกษานีนิ่งชีลักไฮรีมังอาลีพันจัตตะกลีมักพาวิมสีมสาวิ forces ปิงฮิโนทวีราตะกลีมันนุ่ยจอมเนทวีตะกลียบริวารนั้นเตลนมีดชิชินตะกลีคณิทอดเก็บปัลิกไม่ใช่มันสักไว้บริวารปังชับจิสังมิโลดจีวังเลเสียสาดเลยชาบะแล้วก็จูชีนทันดงตะกลีนวิราปิงฮิลีตังคูเรจันลีสาดึกอตรมุทุตะกลีปิงละไปไซโกรนสเตชิลีมังมันิงโลอาร์มีชีวิตมังอามังลิดิสซิปลินเคลมันิงโลอัตมีเคลปั๊มปั๊มใน national workers อาคาซาโดมีนี่ยังด้านละก็อามันิงโลยูวิพิลันดาเทกไปมีเรื่องสังสักมิโลโดราโนวิปังเลยตุมเสียสะโดฮอร์สังลุยชิดกจินเอชาบาอิทุมโจดไฮเรจีวังกโปนีจอดไฮเร่เอทุมขนังไฮเร่อาราตัมราไฮเร่นิงกิชิกเมียตัมราไฮเร่กมุงชอมิโลเรื่องที่มีโปรแกรมจิงลิคุปสังไฮเร่ฮิเวเนชกละข้อเรื่องชีพนัทานดาวิโปรแกรมเสร็จกิจเคลชงจ้าเอาอย่าปั๊มจังชุงโดอาคำว่าขนาวทั้งเลยเรื่องว่ามังลากระเทนึงยูมิโดเรื่องมิกินมักเทยปักปายกสิงดาวนึงยูคำยูนิงขลุมจิงริกหายใจเล่งสักมิโลกษัตริย์กการใส่ก็ละทานมิโลอิดมิลสอมิดจิโฮมิโลดวิคเมโปรจิชุคริสต์วิมิงซิงดโซคมิกปนีอาเมน